To say you get sense. To say you dey use your common sense. You go know say Jamike no be person wey you go fall anyhow. So as you fall now, who go dey supply us? You dey use your sense.
Now you no get sense. No see say that idiot insult us. You know see say he insult us. If I don't kill him, now who I go kill?
Who be yours?
Now you I fuck you.
Who be yours? He insult me. You know if he insult me now based on saying no say na me dey run this street now, man soft.
You know the best way I go gun down next. Na Jemima. So if you love her, go advise her. Because if she no comport, now she go down next.
They no born your papa well. I swear to God. They no born your papa well. Jema, no go near am.
I know they follow you, they play.
No, they follow me, they play.
This is why I tell you. I don't tell you make you believe or make you begin shake. Now update I give you. Now she go be next. No be threat. Now what thing I go do? One day, I go knock you, make you do something.
Anyway, when I forget you.
We been started like two brothers down in the ghetto. Everything was peaceful and nasty. We the hate, but we know we go survive if we put hands together. They run the street. Now greed has come more. One camera say one day.
Combination. 13, 4.
Combination. How many?
4. Cover.
Take that white off. You know how many? I think you know. Yes, okay.
You balance. I said I go take set to you. Hey, I said
you know how many years I don't serve Oga. It's not easy. They say that who work go chop. I don't serve Oga for almost 9 years now. So my settlement done reach. If you settle me, I go start my own life. You now go turn manager for a year. Where the wahala go there be say if you not gonna settle me now. I'm just going to settle down.
If you don't settle you, me I go come out to shall be saying if you know settle. If you don't settle you, any 20 now you go do me. I will tell you.
But you go settle me, I know thief.
You know thief now, and you know be like who no go. You know be like person who no go settle.
You go settle me.
For you know now you don't get your own shop, you call the other boys. Jesus. That your useless.
I get shop around here now.
I will tell you. I go call the thief.
But if I start my own business, now 1 meat I go to chop first.
Now 1 meat.
When I balance, I go begin chop 2, 3. No shop, no come out, evening don't come. You remain small now. You might go begin hustle on my own. I don't try for the boy matter.
See, she know say like this now you come be your guy.
Yes, now. I go miss you.
That's how the light they view.
You said very soon you go join me now. Now 1 year remain for you now. You go follow out.
I swear to God, oh me, I know if I can't be like say I go miss you today. Wow, so you go come if you be your guy now, you go see the follow that your babe.
I go marry am join now. Now for you.
You see now the first step to be mumu be that.
What's happening?
Girl wey no like you now, we be say you never balance. So when you want balance now, you want come go meet, you want go balance with the girl.
No, if I just balance, I go marry her now, but she no even send me. But I love that girl.
Now I dey tell you that girl na go digger. If she no send you now, where you no get anything. So how she go take started from the bottom now? Yeah. How you want you no go marry girl wey love you for who you are.
I get good where they dig.
Go digger.
2 poor men they help each other. What did she want dig?
You get good where they dig. When you want get the good, you still want go good. You come down another 10 years.
You waka well now. Waka like human being. You go now and go.
Oh, send a copper.
3,000.
Okay, give me a nylon. I don't like this now. This thing is like...
Now, it's not the way back. You look at that. Okay, but you look at me.
I just dey look you since say try to do face like this since wetin dey happen.
My mama dey sell police cell for 3 days like this.
Wetin happen? Why?
Na village matter o. But they don settle everything now. For me now to bring money wey dem go use bail am be the problem. I never raise the money wey dem talk. 3 days don pass. My mama still get that police station. You think they vex me here?
Wetin you wan do?
Not just for people like us.
You don tell oga? Now body dey pepper am as say he wan settle you sef.
You no go even lis ten
He wan
to me.
answer you. So wetin you go do like this?
I go thief from this company.
Stop am. Can't talk with that. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
That is where I dey work, I go thief.
Sam, you go thief. Wetin dey do you? Wetin dey worry you? No be the one
Where I wan get the money. I make my mama dey police station. I go thief from this company. Everybody be gone and watch.
Wetin dey?
Okay, give me the money.
If I get, I go afford this.
Then I go thief from here now. I don't know tell you, make you dey surprised. If you dey look for any money, no talk.
Tell oga say na you thief o, me I no dey.
I go lock am for people. I'm down now. I know what you're going to do.
You say?
She still the station.
Now you dey count money.
I want to separate the money now. You know, say they know they bring out complete money for police front. I want share so that I go bring one part. Tell them say you don't finish.
Wetin dey do? Come on, go comot your mama from Ekelebian. You know today na Friday. If you pass today, she go dey there weekend o. Dey there dey count money. Na till Monday. You go your mama go do excursion. I tell you.
But I go divide that. You know, say if they see the whole money.
You count money wey you thief.
Okay, Chukwu. Wetin dey happen again? Wetin happen when you say you no wan learn the trade I say you go learn again? Wetin happen? Eh?
No be my life. Shank with ya. No dey whine me for here. Shank with ya. I say I no do again. I wan go make better money. No be money dey make me learn trade.
Which nonsense be that one? I dey talk, you dey run your mouth. Which nonsense you wan learn now? Eh? Which nonsense you wan learn instead of the trade wey I sell you, Okechukwu?
I go trade finish come still go put small. I don get update. Everywhere good. You just calm down. Just believe in me. I'm your son. A great man once said the you is greater than the you.
Okechi, are you seeing your brother? Are you hearing what he's saying? Mama. You're just stressing yourself. Oh. You're just giving yourself IBP. I don't know why you're wasting your time talking to this thing here. Mama, you have to focus your energy on Junior and leave this one. This is a fulefu here.
Who be this one? Who they call this one?
If you touch her, you will see my madness this afternoon. Here comes the fulefu. The fulefu that will be deceiving my son. Hey!
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, Bogeba.
Let's say I greet you normally.
I don't want your greeting. Deceivers. You that have been deceiving my son, I don't want.
Did they deceive old man?
The man no be the deceive.
Mama, forget trade. I trademark the rain. You understand? I get better update, we go make us get money.
Which nonsense update be that? Tell me that update be that. You see this life where two of you they do. This life we una choose, now una sabi. But one thing I know be say, two of una go regret am. For this life, if una not change this your ways, una go regret am o.
Now you know see the life picture. See, you be fool. See what I say you draw. Now that thing I show you. Go draw gun like chicken lap. Now that thing I show you to draw. You draw rubbish.
No mind, let me draw.
Mama, you don't come. Now we go do one or two. Come here first.
I dey come.
Come.
I feel not to make you proud, not to make Mama proud.
Go make her proud now.
How for you?
Yes,
Mama made me. Mama's gonna be proud.
Can you see that? So you are the one that do this thing. Hey! Open up. Open up. Oh God. God help me.
Yes. Yes. Come back here.
I want you to go to who you the rock.
Are you mad? Come back here.
Sorry.
Stay there.
Don't they do that? What's up?
What's happening?
Oh!
What's happening?
Thought that the man don't have right. Point and give him big cap. Serious, stay one place. Collect the bag.
Yes. Are you okay?
No,
Give me that bag.
Hey!
Don't you make us do like they confuse
You
me
the
now.
man, point up.
Give me that bag. Give me.
Collect the phone.
Give me phone. The case. Are you mad? I'm not playing with you.
Collect the bangle. Collect the bangle.
Give me bangle. Give me bangle. What do they use the bangle do?
Come to buy you. Let's go.
Let's go. If you start up there.
Hey boy. How about that? Give me that Coke. What's the Coke? That one, where is it?
Which one? Predator. We get Predator. We get
I do that one. The energy drink with this.
Etiko.
You know cool.
No, collect cool one.
You find cool one now. Find the one with sure, huh?
9 minutes.
Etiko. Etiko.
Cholesterol go too much. Now why they
Don't
Etiko?
worry.
No, they buy anything.
No, the Etiko now.
No, we come back. Come. We will get the money for house.
What's that?
I come.
Nonsense with this now. I don't want to give me money.
No vex.
We forget our money for house.
No vex.
See, guy. Thank God say you leave that shop. Come follow my update. Oh. If no be so, in the next few months, my car is good. They wash for me. You go turn boy from my hand.
Wow. So if you buy a plan by car.
This is be where they live without direction and vision. Me, I get vision. I want buy car. I want buy house. I want buy Rolls Royce. I want buy.
Who be this one? Who be this one? Which day begin to get direction and vision? Who be when you begin to thief? This one. Come on for there. You be get this vision when you do a gas shop. No be when you come out.
When my eye open, okay, you should not get sense. Why you know they there they do boy? You go do like 11 years. They'll give you 400k. You know how much you don't make? Check now.
What is this sweet? I didn't tell you.
Check out.
I didn't tell you. No, I go meet my mom see the house.
I give you share the money, make the money cool first.
I no go here say you go cross. If you dey cross road, look oh, and the motor no go kill you. I beg go.
Idiot, the who go kill you there? Because I owe small money, I no go cross the road again. Mama?
The mama mean. So you don't finally come back, Abi? See you. Since morning when you come out for house, now you dey return.
You say make I come out to go hustle like a full grown man. I say okay, I don't come out now, go hustle, come back. You still dey come. You see the complaint say I come back late. Can if I get more to one ma?
Now drink that they smell like this. Eh? Izuchuku. Now drink and they smell from your head to your toe.
Alcohol, not the drink. Mama, even people who produce alcohol, they say na 18 years be the license to drink. I did 36. I doubled the years. So what be the problem now? I never reached to drink.
Just listen to yourself. Eh? I say go hustle. No be to drink. Drink like this. They smell drink everywhere. See you. In fact, your shame, they shame me. If you don't know. Your shame don't leave you, they shame me. They hear me so?
Your papa go die. That's the kind of we the thief! Mommy, I am with the thief!
Brother, that money I dey wait for. Which money? Don't waste my time. You know the here I said. Where the money?
Sorry. See, there is the
Where's
money.
the money?
Where's the money? Don't shoot me, please. Please, I'm giving you the money. I should go.
Lie down. Yes, please. You don't provoke me, I know you should lie down.
I'm lying down already. Lying down already.
They play.
Welcome.
Get up,
You don't see me. You don't see me.
They play.
I will.
What is one day now? My guy, I want for you.
Oh boy,
Where you go for?
I swear to God, I got follow that second road. We call police.
This is something happened to you and the bag, sir.
I be say something happened to me. I be small pikin. I dey tell you, guy. I don't dey watch all these things for television. I dey be.
People don't know how much you're inside.
I your side now.
No more.
Everywhere good and
You sure said that this bag with thief?
this thing dey shock me.
Where the money? Where did this bag?
No be me and you dey open the bag now.
Okechukwu.
Izuchukwu.
Okechukwu.
I dey hear you now.
Okechukwu.
Izu, wetin dey sup? Oh, but the way you dey look me, you come dey do am like say na me. Shey we go thief bag, I go come go comot wetin dey inside. Wetin dey do you? You dey talk like say you dey suspect me. Why dey you dey suspect me? I be like thief for your eye.
Okechukwu.
Na so life be o. So the good wey I do now, because of small disappointment, don dey suspect me. I don be bad person. They call me Okechukwu. Izuchukwu. So na me be thief now. See life. Next time, day. Next time, day. So, Mama, the reason why I call this meeting is because God has do it. You understand? Zubby be number one, senior man. So, Mama, remember that thing we talk about that last time? That time we say we did there, me I be sit down for you. I just want to tell you, say God don't do it. My God has done it. You understand? Money don't come. No be just small money, no be small big money. The money wey we get here, you no go finish. Amen. So my God. So now why I call you, ma let you know say everywhere good. I'm not just rich, I'm wealthy.
I swear.
All there.
All the offer.
Everywhere good. You dey get.
Where you from? Stumble on top the money where you make now. Where you be senior man? Where? Mama, thank you. God bless you.
Na hard work and determination na I forget am. Na get am from hard work and determination. Motivational speaker say your hardworking man is a prayerful. No be wetin dey talk.
Na truth na.
You don't know what they say.
Na wetin dey talk?
You dey mad. I no dey pay your school fees. I go dey speak pidgin. You go dey speak pidgin. You dey craze. No be wetin dey talk.
It's the word they say.
Idiot.
Junior, just shut up your mouth. Okay, Chiku. I hope you did not bring stolen money. I hope you did not go and steal or kill somebody to bring their money.
God forbid. I did not do that.
You're doing God forbid. God forbid.
Yes,
I am looking at you. Make sure this money you're talking about is not stolen money.
No worry.
Don't bring any stolen money into my house, so.
No worry. You don't just chop the money. No worry about
God
that.
forbid. I will not chop a stolen money. You say I will not chop. Don't buy me clothes.
You know what we go do for me? You buy PS5 for my use the flex.
Come on, close your mouth. Instead of you to ask where he got the money from, you are here saying PS5. If I don't worry.
But wait, why are you after? Why not just?
I not after. Exactly. Longer throat. You know what is longer throat? Don't allow longer throat to finish you. You want to join him. You want to join his footstep already. Look at your life. Ben.
Mama,
you want to start following
him. Don't just enjoy money. All this someone at the top.
Like him.
On another behave like village people.
I swear.
I don't understand though. Oh, but they happy for me. Everybody go down they jolly. They happy. Oh, but follow me down. And so the Lord has done it
now look at
finally.
You are not joining him to be a play for Abi. No problem. Continue. Listen to me. Now you are getting hope for. You see this one? I don't lose hope. You see this one? Yeah.
Wetin happen? Why your face dey like this? You fight? You and person quarrel? Talk now, wetin happen?
Mama, if person betray you, how you go take know? If person wey you love well
Which kind of question be that?
Shebi na through their eyeballs you go know.
They don't betray you.
Bye, Ewa.
You see, I talk am. I sense am. Tey. Say this boy, Okechukwu, he get as that boy character dey. As person wey dey talk to open mouth talk wella, you know dey fit talk. You dey I know say that boy get corny. He get corny. Hi. Okay, Bia Izuchukwu, come tell me who betray your sister. Ami baby, my one and only Ami. Ami sequence, hey, my one and only. Baby, guess what? What? I have a surprise for you. For me?
Hey, thank you so much, Junior.
You are welcome.
You don't pay.
I can do anything for you.
It's the latest iPhone. You even bought me a pouch that suits it perfectly. This is so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much.
Don't worry, I can do anything.
Hey,
I'm not the latest girl in town. No.
I promise to do anything for you to be happy.
Hey, oh, see, baby, let me snap so that I'll use both of us as a screensaver. Hey. Yeah. I'll use it as my wrapper, my wallpaper. Hey, Junior, thank you so much. You see why I love you.
What's going on here? Junior, are you not aware that this is my babe?
Eh? What did I hear you say? Did you just call me your babe? Who is your babe? Don't try that nonsense again, please.
Chakam. What are you doing with her? Don't you know that Junior is like my younger brother?
No. Don't you ever call me your younger brother.
Hey. Let me never talk like that.
And you know that you can't do anything. You and I know say you can't do anything to me.
Junior, if I forget my hand for your face.
If you try to touch me that hand, I will call my brother, will come and deal with you with his new money. Bam!
Your brother? New money.
Don't you know that my brother is the latest big boy in town? Bam! I mean, come, let's go and leave this man.
My
poverty
baby.
the world.
Call me your baby. What I'm talking.
Latest big boy in town. New money.
Ka anyị jekwede kele ọba. Ọba give them the order. Ọba bụrụ ime beri dị ka ọ dị ife. Ana na-elu ụzọ ka ọ dị ife. Ana m anọ n'ụlọ n'alụ ntị. Ọba give them the order. No money enter our aza. Nwoke bụrụ ime beri dị ka ọ dị ife. Agawa.
Why did you make we see?
I know hear wetin him talk.
Okay, you talk when I know the hear wetin you talk. What you talk?
Things are flowing.
Put am for him body. Put am for him body.
What is that flowing? Where that money? Where that money?
It never reached like this.
Where that money?
Put am for him body. The craze for him body. Put am for him body.
Where that money? If I nod you go lose your 32. I say where that money? Where that money?
Let me first.
Okay, Chukwu.
Let me first.
Okay, Chukwu. Where that money there?
Let me first now.
Where that money there?
Is I'm small picky.
Where that money there?
In a man put up my body the curse. Let me first.
I'm giving you 48 hours. If you don't provide that money, Maba, I go use you to this community. 48 hours. If you don't bring out that bar, Maba, I go use you sweep this community. 48 hours. The only reason you are still alive is because you are with my money. After 48 hours, if I don't see that money, Maba, I go use you sweep this community. 48 hours.
I'm not gonna punish you. The curse. No, you mad? I be small picking, Abi. You go use me as you like. They mad. Go punish. I swear to God. It is how be small picking, Abi. I'm not gonna punish you. See, this is where you try to there. No wahala. You go see around. No wahala. Now you see be small boy. You see be small boy. You know me for neck. Give me that drink.
If you know beside doing my period, I will hold this guy. But because I do my period, I beg.
Give me that drink. Oh yeah, get out of here. I'm gonna punish you. You dey here. Person dey hold me for neck. So why I carry you go join body? Why I buy drink for you?
Man, I do my period.
Why I buy drink? Get out of here, my friend.
Don't do upon the ones where you drink for that place and smoke. You never do because you don't hear again. Begin drink, begin smoke. You won't kill yourself.
I hate betrayal. Okay, why to shop? Okay, why they bring up here? They carry him along like saying my blood. My intern betray me. Me.
Na human being.
Me.
Na so it be. Na human being. Na so them they do. You no go trust any man. Because this thing where they here, where God create finish, you still am. You don't know what's in the inside.
Okay, you betray me.
Don't do.
Mama Okechukwu betray me. Boy, why they carry her along? Now him betray me. That's why they brush up. Now me they can see Okechukwu na me.
You go get your own money. Get your own money. They hear me so? You're double now. Eh? Bounce! One for your mama. Go get her. Go get her. And you go sham pepper. Ah. Okay, Chukwu. Oh, wala. Go see her.
No go there. No go there. No go there. No go there. Confirm. There is only one king of the jungle. Jelenamo was Adaba. Believe. Noski.
Boss.
Make two of them go count this bar. Tell us how much we achieve. How can I G? Senior man. Look at the mount guard everywhere.
Ah, Chamo, only you now you. And then when. Now for all you.
No go there.
No go there.
It's revving.
Stop! Stop here! You, come down. Maybe I talk to. Come down, I saw. Okay, search this guy.
Hey, okay, take it easy.
I go slap your ear and I no go hear again. They mad.
Please take it easy with me, sir.
You dey follow me talk? Man, see that bag. Today, God go just help man, no see anything. Raise your hand up. That's all that they do, innocent people.
Handle that bag carefully.
Make I hear your voice again. Man. May God help man no find anything for this bag. Unless you go see Pepe. Hey! This guy won't go buy person.
So you want to buy people for this town?
I don't know anything about it.
On your knees, go on your knees.
No, I don't have any conversation, sir.
I said go on your knees.
I swear to God, who made me?
So,
you did
time language. Like today we finish.
I don't know anything about this.
Today we will give you strong justice.
What did they pay me? Say this man still alive. You don't mad? You don't mad? I said something forever. You still talk any happy? What did?
I don't have any go with me. Now stop.
Go on your knees.
That's all that they do, Abi.
Go on your knees. Go, you over. Go.
One go.
Yes, you don't buy. You deserve him. I tell you, the carry gun the worker. You don't see him now. That's your end. You don't see him.
Kick you!
Obele! For your mind, you sharp, Abi.
Wait till it's so.
Huh?
Wait till it's so.
You dey crazy, they ask me. So now you the thief Jemo money. They don't know say all these guys now they wale.
No, it's not what you think.
Now be fast and furious. I dey see you.
You know say when they cap 001. Say this Obele no Mela man. Huh? Say like Judas Iscariot. This Obele the thief from the treasure purse. You no go really believe me. Now I never clear like DSTV.
Kata, why you dey talk like this? Now you know say normally me I no be a Mela person.
Come on,
if you no be say based on mom's health, you know say me I no be a Mela.
Obe, come on, say back for that capping. Be thief.
See, I no be thief.
Come on, stop there. Who you the one? You the craze.
Kata, what am I do like
Me is your need to fast and furious. Now you the go move.
See fast.
Go move. I go enter. Come on.
Thief in the church. Hey!
It is white. Everything scattered for inside. Who be this here? Tabo! Oh, you did far. Tabo! Hey! Oh no, bro, me le di far. Hey! What? Hey! What? Let me Junior be this here. Let me Junior be this here. Junior. Why though?
Jamo, please calm down. Please, just.
Let me Junior be this.
Now, Junior.
Which Junior be this?
Junior, your brother.
Junior! Wake up on me!
Obi worker. I don't want to sugar. What be this? What be this one? What? Calm down, no go straight for my head, Samu. Samu, calm down. Junior, I go punish you. I go punish you. Ah, wait on. Alive! Junior! Wait on! Everybody go surplus!
Jamu, don't go, not please. Jamu!
Now go punish! Jamu, no worry! Everybody go surplus! Hey! Obi worker! I don't want to sugar!
Don't go there. You don't go there.
Go there, now go.
You just start go.
All like a pig.
Then tell her, say, make you no go there.
You
go there, now go there.
You go there, now go there.
Make you no go there. You go there, now go there.
What's this up?
Jamo. Now this your trust son, oh. Based on Fast and Furious, we cite am. Now him dey hide all the money wey him dey make. Come dey tell us say the boys dey wale the money for street. Jamo na lie him dey lie o.
001. Na clear intel. You see, we obviously Judas Iscariot only dey dig ground, dey hide the money. So you see all these stories when they tell you, when they say, hey, they rob am, hey, shoot by the mother fly. All na taste by moonlight. Na lie. Na for grind they bury the money.
Obole, you why I trust? Go dey wale my money. Why now?
See, no man, no beside the wale your money. Now just this small 7 boss what I just make for myself. My man nowhere. So I say, I use this small 7 boss anyhow it be to collect man they put inside. Those are also share me and still got themselves so that I carry and go hospital. No beside wale your money, see no man.
You tell me say your mama dey sick. If you say you tell me, I for package you.
Oh, see no man.
You no tell me.
I dey sorry, see no man.
I don't believe in that word. Sorry, you can't be sorry. You teach me, can't they say so?
See no man.
I would like forgive you, but if I forgive you, another person will come to you.
See no man, forgive me. Nobody go thief you again.
No.
I beg.
I will use you do sample. So that when they say, see that guy waiting for me, see what thing happen, and what thing do.
See no man, na small collect.
Nobody go want thief me again.
I no thief, na small collect, I just collect.
Okay.
See no man.
All I'm out, come out of it.
Jamo! No, Jamo, I beg. Jamo, I mean, Jamo, listen, Go down! That time you make you no go there. You go there, now go there. I beg. Na small collect, I just collect, I don't collect again. They go collect your one eye. I use some of my mouth on this one. I beg. As you collect, they go collect your one. Oh, give me money.
Hey, enough money. You said it's finished. Yes, so. I told you that. I said we go to that place. Let me say. I'm coming. Let me I'm very. Okay, because I will not call this time.
Oh, be worker. I don't want to sugar. Now see finish ya. Come on. Now see finish ya. Hey! Oh, be worker. I don't want to sugar. Oh, be worker.
I drop one and sugar. Ifa, I'm finish up.
What is it?
Mama! One and sugar. Come on, calm down. Come on, calm down. Open your calm down. No more kill my head. Come on. Please calm down. Come on. Now see finish up. Now see finish up.
What is it?
Calm down, please, calm down. Calm down, Ifa. Ifa,
What have you done for him? What have you done to him?
now see finish up.
Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Let me open your eyes for me! Okay, I better help me tell you, let's say I will come back now. Tell us I can't find them. Eh? Alright. Hey, thank God sir, I need you for me. Something bad don't happen to Junior, your boyfriend. What happened? Amaka, they rush, they go now. What happened to Junior? Go wait! Hey. Madam Eunice. Hey, well done. Church chief, well done. Well done. Hey. Church chief, well done. This one is big. Oh.
Alice. Alice, what do you do for my house?
I beg, no pretend or lie. I followed you from your house to church. I saw everything.
You saw everything. What happened? I don't know what you talk.
Madam, I come for my own share. Just give me my own share. If you don't give me my own share, I will go straight to the priest. I go tell and say that you dey thief all the food for church.
Thief. Yeah. Come. Waiting be your own self. I be then send you. Why you dey chook eye for person business? You no go mind your own. Waiting carry you follow me from church, follow me reach here. Alice,
I can't collect my own share, make I just dey go. Jeje, make I come out for here.
Well, now you sabi wetin dey talk because me, that's the way they talk, I no know.
I dey go short. Alice, I think say you no go understand.
You never reach like that.
Nana, you do well. I bet add a yam. 3 big yam.
Yam no day.
Madam, you go add a yam. I see you carry yam too. You carry fowl, you carry yam. Add them yam. So go use them with the chicken and yam. Add them together. Now what for you? Can't be. Try this one enter. Hey, me and my children don't enjoy today. Hey, we better pepper soup. See this one. Follow you won't go the thief the thing they chop alone. Never say anything. If you go eat thief, you go share. By the way, now church house they go to some. Stingy woman. Hey, this one big, eh? Nana, you do well. Thank you so much. So much. Madam Eunice, you don't try now.
Alice. Hey. Now these people get big eye. I dey tell you. If you see the plenty yam and plenty fowl, we food for that place. Hey, how these people get mind? They chop alone. And then they even remember say we go chop. Now I make you go steal them. As I steal am now, as I no be stealing, I collect. You collect on your own? As I collect, you no collect. You no reach you now. No talk, you no reach you.
Madam, I beg you, stop to the thief, you no good.
Just dey chuku eye for person business. I no know wetin be your own.
I beg you.
Hey, now which kind wahala be this? Which kind trouble be this? Why? How this woman go dey chuku eye for person business? They monitor me, they follow me up and down. Then send them. Wahala. Next time, come collect chop. Don't collect today, abi. Come tomorrow. Take that one, go.
Chamo, the thing no gas we take plan. Wetin sup? Chamo, wetin my Facebook today, I no fit decode am. Chamo, they kill am as they take kill St. Stephen. They stone am. They oof am like that. Chamo, I go lie for you. They just offer. Because they see fall for your hand. Na so. They not do well. Chai! He touch me. When that boy saved the Jones, and his stupidity kill him. Pikin wey not the respect elders, they quick go. Well, what they do no or go well. Chai! Chamo, you na 001. Na Chamo you be. Who they check out? Who they check you? Nobody, boss. After you, na you. Boy, touch me. Bye.
Please, choose. Oh, go. No pass around. Choose. Father. Security. I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
There is something I've been meaning to ask you. And it's very, very important. There has been a lot of missing items in this parish house. And I really want to know what is happening. Some of our members brought 4 fowls yesterday and some tubers of yam. Reaching this morning, one of the fowl is missing and the tubers of yam. What is really happening?
Hey, Father, I don't know. Out of 4 fowl, one they miss.
Yes.
Just like that.
You asking me?
Sorry.
You are the security. I'm the one that's supposed to ask you.
I'm sorry.
Who was the last person you saw leaving this parish house yesterday?
Father, you know this is a parish house now, so a lot of people come in and go out. But the last person I saw was Madam Eunice. She's the last person I saw that left this place.
Madam Eunice? The fair Madam Eunice?
Yes, that fair Madam Eunice that used to come and clean the parish compound.
All right, thank you very much for that information.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right, sir.
Why to take heart? This is a shocking news to all of us. It shocks us. But we have to endure.
You have to endure. Aye.
Come carry Becky for me, son, baby. Hey! Hey! Stop!
Calm down.
Oh, Nisha. One more here. Put one more here.
Who know Junior for this? You don't know Junior.
Junior na your brother.
You don't know Junior.
I know him.
You don't know.
I know Junior.
Everybody knows that my brother. I don't know.
I know.
Junior, they find trouble. Junior, they find trouble.
No.
They find trouble.
No.
They find trouble. I know book.
You know no book.
I know book. I know book.
You don't know book.
We know book.
We don't know book.
We know book.
We don't know book.
There's only one person. We know book for my family. We are tossing. Even if anything do me, my mama go use her front. Where would they use one baby? Where would they use one baby? Where they use say okay, maybe they use go school. Nine the buyer. Huh? Nine the buyer. I know who do am.
You say?
I know who do am.
You know who do am?
I know who do am.
Tell me now. He talk say na blackie boys na him do am. I be na vigilante people buy am. Tell me, boss, make I go back to everybody.
I go do my own back. Me, I go do my own back.
Which people be vigilante? Can they be vigilante? Fala yala. Oh, we go in the vigilante. We go buy them one after the other. And ya buy for.
Anybody when even pass where they do am. Say you pass where they do am.
But my question is,
Wetin na the talk be say? Why they go buy person because say they see gun for him back? Instead when they carry the person, hand am over to police, they go buy am. Not to anybody won't tell me they know wetin dem do.
Punish you! The grace! My brother Junior, you know wetin be gone.
For where?
You know wetin be gone.
You no know wetin be gone.
The grace! Junior know wetin be gone. Junior know wetin be gone.
Nekelebe get the final say for this matter. Oh.
No be only book A for apple, B for apple. 19 you know. He don't even know G for gun. He don't know G for gun.
Holy boy.
Oh, Nisha, put one more here. Bring your mind down, ah.
Boss, calm down. Boss, calm down. No, please. Please.
Hey. I go to my own back. Give me back.
Boss,
give me back.
Nobody dey microwave salad.
Give me back.
Nobody.
Back.
Boss, we will get them down. Back. We will get them down.
Who got do for it like that?
Who did this for me? Who I offend? Who my son offend? Who Junior offend? My son is not a criminal. Junior will never be criminal. Junior no dey do bad thing. Na me born am. You know they do bad thing at all. I've never seen Junior with cutlass or gun before. Or any weapon at all. See, Malema, I tell you. That person set Junior up. Then set Junior up and that person go suffer. They will suffer for 1 day. That person will make my heart shatter like this. Make my heart break, bata my doctor. They come buy am wey no do anything. They buy my only. No go better for them. Oh. God is not fair. Oh. Papa, God is not fair. Oh. My only hope for this house, my medical doctor, now they cry like this. Now they cry like this.
What is it now?
Now is the name of a person. Animal, place, or things.
Then what is the pro now?
Now is the word. Instead of a now.
And who is a junior?
Junior is a boy. Instead of an animal.
They leave you, my junior. They leave you, my junior. Edema,
Guys! Nah, those guys, they think say na we they will fuck up. They don't know say we no. What did they solve now, boy?
Shut up!
Jamo, you say make we arrange.
Monkey they jump now because say the trees there near.
Yeah, just card.
If I plant the trees, monkey no fit jump anything. War don't they? Coded war. Now don't forget the motto. Anybody with prize must collect.
To collect now.
So they don't prize and they must collect. So as the 001 for this background, and they put on for a body like this, war done day.
Who they enter Chemo? Who be that when they make remote now? Chemo, you know say say melese no be okwe mbombo no be tololinto. Mbombo no dey sweet me for body. Anyway when na for call yo.
001, you know, plenty talk in the food basket. But you don't cap up now, so it go be. You know how it be now. First come, first collect now. First come, first serve.
See, make I tell you now. Make una no go there. I say, make una no go there, not go there. Now COCO, now by COCO. Now war.
Noise go update everybody on the details of the war and waiting up. But na coded war. And they must hear them. I go want make that war end like 11-0.
Scores!
Like everybody confirm.
Scores!
11-0 na number to move.
Forget it, scores.
No shaking. Mbombo.
Now see you. Wait, I still know now. If your eye dey there, that's not correct. Don't go there, now go there. Don't go there. Now go there. Shabu.
It's revving.
Male, show. What I don't pass Kadiri.
What's happening?
Ha. You know that white younger brother now? Where they follow me drag woman?
Junior.
Yes, now. I won't set am up, making suffer small, may no say I no be mate. But things go over happen.
Wetin can happen?
They place metal for him bag. Based on say may they catch him, may him go prison or something. But the vigilante wey catch him overreact to, he light am there.
Hey.
He go jungle justice.
This one na big wahala.
And they go think say na me off the boy.
So wetin go happen now?
Nothing will go happen. I just dey update you.
See wetin see make I tell you now. As e be so, carry your bag. Comot for now. Abeg.
I'm not going anywhere. Come on to it.
White if he begin find you, Ekelebe go dey find you too.
Nah, male, lion no dey run now. Lion no dey run for jungle. If I run, who go stay? Now my street be this now. We die here. I just update you. I no dey run no.
Now your life, now me they talk like this so. Now your life.
Male, we die here. You don't understand? I be wonder boy making no go there. Making no go there. Now he don't go there. He don't off. So me I no dey run no. I just update you.
You take cover.
Yes, see, what to make me tell you this in that be say make you know as you take day. You know understand? Know as you take day. Things they stop like this. So know as you take day. Me I know the wrong go anywhere. I dey come. Me I know the wrong go anywhere.
You dey come out again. No.
Please, don't kill me. Please.
Shut up!
Please, don't kill me. Please.
Shut up your mouth. You get mine by Junior. Why you buy Junior?
Please. This is my first jungle justice. I saw a gun in his bag. I didn't know it was your brother. Please, don't kill me. Please. I beg you, please. Don't kill me.
You know look away before you buy him. Eh? Hi! You get mind. You get mind, yeah. Go buy the only future barrister where they my boss family.
Alele!
You are a very useless man, huh? A very useless man, huh? Nigga Gantia. How many are they inside that cake? Yeah?
There are 3 inside that keke. He's the only one with saw gun in his back.
Obi weka. I drop one and soka.
You go gree for a fire.
Obi no gree. Obi weka.
Damn it.
Obi weka. I drop one and soka. Now see finish, yeah.
Boys, they move bricks, steady grind, no stop. From street to Lagos, the hustle no flop. Sweat for the money, blood stain for the land. Man, we no get bread, now if you lose hand, them say loyalty be born. I ain't unchained, but when no got strike, trust they go drain. For nights, we spar sharp blade for back. Brother, where you trust, for the plan attack.
Get our brotherhood.
I am talking to you. You've killed him, right? You have killed my Junior.
You get evidence? Now Junior's stupidity kill him.
I know you did it, you jealous and stupid fool!
Okay.
Listen, let me tell you. Junior blood will continue to haunt you for the rest of your miserable life. And listen, I will never be yours. It will be over my dead body that I will have anything to do with somebody like you.
Shebi, you said I make kill him without evidence. Come flog me.
God will punish you. Junior's blood will continue to haunt your miserable life.
Come, make you no go there.
Useless man.
Make
God
you no
will
go there.
punish you. It shall never be well with you.
Amaka, my friend, you for not go accuse Okechukwu openly. Oh. You know how dangerous this guy can be.
I'm not scared of Okechukwu. Did you hear me?
You're not scared of Blackie? The only bad guy in this area. The ghetto lord. You're not scared. I know, say that very day when Junior go challenge Blackie, say something goes up. Waiting don't stop now. Eh?
I want him. I want Junior to stop attacking him, that he's dangerous. But he did not understand where I was coming from. Now he is dead.
I beg. No cry again, yeah? No cry. No cry. But I want to tell you something. You know, say my friend, make I advise you. Avoid this guy wey they call Blackie. You don't see wetin happen. Eh? I beg. Avoid am.
He will suffer. He will suffer for what he did. For breaking my heart and that of Junior's mother. He will pay severely for this.
You don't do. Eh? Oh yeah, no cry again. Come, may we go ask. No cry, no cry.
My Junior, I'm not going to cry.
No cry.
He did too much, yeah. Nina against ya. He went gabasi, ya.
Now I go punish you, the grace. You don't see my mama here, the grace.
Oh, Nisia. No verse, ya. Wakwaniwa.
They make noise for my lovely mother.
The police were here. 3 of our vigilantes were dead. Izuchukwu, what have you done?
I do what I'm supposed to do now. You don't know what happened for you to be
You did what?
What I'm supposed to do now, I do so. You know the matter now. You know the matter.
Hey! Then turn yourself in. Turn yourself in because now you are a wanted person. Thank you. Congratulations for making me a mother without a son, without a child. Izuchukwu, thank you so much. Oh, God.
You don't do now. You don't do. At least you still Lucy. Sorry, baby. Becky, come. Becky, no verse for mommy. Come back here, baby. Mama, you dey talk like say you no get pikin. Mama, I still be your pikin. I no be your pikin. Becky, come.
Because of your nyama lifestyle. Because of your useless lifestyle. That is why they find my son Junior. My only hope. My medical doctor.
What do you want to?
Huh?
Becky.
Huh?
Come.
Onisia.
Come.
I won't enter Ama.
I go punish you. You won't enter my mama. You dey see am. Becky, shebi you dey see am. You still get pikin, I still be your pikin. How you talk like this?
You are not. Izuchukwu, you are no longer my child. Izuchukwu have caused me so much pain.
Becky, dey hear that?
I cursed today. The very day I gave birth to you, Izuchukwu, I cursed that day. You are no longer my child. You see yourself? Get out of my house with your cursed self. I don't want to see you again.
Come, we go beg mama.
I don't want to see you again, Izuchukwu. You have caused me so much pain.
Pull out, never go. Becky, shebi this. Becky, shebi no say. We will not find anybody trouble. To find our trouble, we do our own back. Shebi this young. Becky, you know see, you don't know what happen. Shebi, you know what happen.
Onisia. Na me the ass I been at the pussycat, yeah.
I hate you.
I like you.
I go make sure say I buy you this night. I swear to God.
Why Tololo?
Mama,
you went Gabasia.
Come here, come, follow me, come.
be now? One buy ice cream. Ice cream stuff. See you need that minute. I just need to go out.
So I know now, my mom still don't say make her come off her house now. Based on based on waiting the stop like this now.
Why do? Hi. Why do? This one pay me. But as he come be, where you go come there now?
Maybe that one be the problem. I did one of my guys' side with the squats. I squat with one of my guys' side. I just did that side. But maybe that one be the cocoa now. Because as it stands now down, they don't move Gordons. You hear me? Because they no one main can talk with you know. That's where move my brother. A person wait follow and dey for that keke. And we need to know who follow and dey for that keke in order for us to discover who move am. Because all these things now go lead us to evidence so we find.
If you watch this matter very well, you go see say the matter don't already the black, yeah.
Ajay.
It don't already the black, yeah. And no doubt, now these blacky people now do this thing.
Ajay.
Now they run this matter. We must visit them one after the other. Makane guadi atwafwa. Na koji we able to.
They talk too much. I they talk one thing. They talk too much. They talk like mumu. They talk like mumu. This one I talk now. You know here, man. You know here when I tell you say I know say na black, you run this P. And they tell you say I find evidence. They tell me say na black. She you want just go there, go there blacky. Listen, I need to be very careful. Because Kelebe don't dey this time. Dear me. And I remember that vigilante will go run a baby. Kelebe don't dey and then dey everywhere. More na careful. Me I no go dey where I find evidence of my brother where they go find. The person go come go enter. If you enter Kelebe, you dey on your own. You don't get new work with that. That one na excursion you dey do. I don't know your papa. I don't know your real mama. That no concern me.
Na so e be, Chamo. Na so e be. But what a wicked soul. So person go look finish, junior, fine boy, finish, he go bam. The person no dey fear. See, Chamo, declare war. Declare war for this area. Make we shoot, cut anybody wey put body. See, for this area, they must gree. If they no gree, they go gree. You hear me?
Person wey do the mind go collect my
Why do? Why do? Why do?
Omo. So like this now, this guy no see me when I collect this smoke. Too bad. Come on there. So like this now to just smoke this one now. This already in my pocket now, finish am for the night. So like this now go finish like I'm 40. See this one. Oh God, worry bro. Come on there. That guy no sharp. Now small pikin. Now who they run the ghetto? Now who they run the street? Who they?
That guy no sharp. Now why you collect my smoke? Now why you thief my smoke?
Shema, I no collect anything.
You no collect anything?
Shebi na me come buy down for you that time. How much I give you? Now one now.
Now one you collect?
Yes now.
You collect one?
Yes now.
For inside there?
Yes now. Now you use your hand give me now, bro.
And you dey sure say na one wey you collect?
I dey 100% sure. I even sure pass before. I even sure pass the person who even first talk that word sure.
Sure you know me.
I know you.
I need be small. Cartel wey no dey catwalk. And as I dey like this, you know say me I no get feelings. And you know say me I don't sell my feelings take and buy canna. And you know say me na canna squad. Sure you know.
I know you for the yard.
I asked you for the last time. Why you thief my smoke?
I don't thief your smoke. I give you money now. You see me now.
You don't thief my smoke.
I swear I don't thief your smoke.
And now one you collect.
Now one I collect. If I let me, God bless me. Abeg.
If you like me, God bless you.
I swear. Abeg.
Wait. I tell you. Say na me be obere. Cartel when they cat work. As I dey like this, I no get feelings. Na poor we poor. No be craze with the craze.
Boys, they move bricks, steady grind, no stop. From street to Lagos, the hustle no flop.
Father. What's the Jesus?
God bless you.
Thank you, Father.
Madam, don't be offended. Madam, sorry, there's something I want to find out. There is a fowl and some tubers of yam and some missing items in the parish house. So I want to find out if you have idea of these items.
But Father, there's a security man here. Have you tried to ask him?
I know we have a security. I've asked the security man. But he told me you are the last person that left the parish house yesterday. That is why I'm asking you.
Father, are you now saying I am the thief?
No, I'm not accusing you of being a thief. I'm just asking you because it is a taboo for something to mix in this parish house. That is why I'm asking you.
So what you are implying now, Father, is that I am the one that stole the items you're looking for. I beg. I take our Mother Mary beg you. With my life no need now. Now insult. This insult now where you they give me now. I don't want them. Now because they come sweep church, they come tidy up church. Now make una they accuse me of what I don't know about. Now me I live here. My work will be to come clean church, go my house.
Madam, it's very, very wrong for a thief to be in the house of the Lord.
And it is very, very wrong for the security man not to be at alert to know what they miss and what they miss. Not be him there here. Father, I beg, if not because I they clean church for now, they tidy up the church for now, who now they accuse me and your security man they accuse me of what I know about. I beg, I no do again. I no sweep again, I no do again. You don't hear me so? I no do it. But when I can't touch they go. Our Mother Mary, our blessed mother, Mother Millionaire, Mother, look at me, your daughter, because I devoted myself, say make I clean yours, so picking house. They tidy up, so at least that is good to do for my life. That they accuse me, say that me they see for church. Mother, you there. Your son dead, you are dead, they look waiting for that they do me. They insult me, they humiliate me. No wahala. I don't do again. When I carry you cleaning, carry you church, they go. I don't do again, Father.
Lord, what kind of a woman is this? May God have mercy on you.
Ice cream.
What's that happen?
Street no good.
Street no good. Kasimori don't do.
People don't dey about problem don't dey for street.
For Kana?
For Kana no be like, give me something now.
So you go dey careful.
I dey careful.
See no play oh. If you jump ahead, where they go take clap follow you no good sharp oh. Diplomatic liar. Diplomatic.
Obele.
Diplomatic. You don't take.
Obele, what happened to your eye?
Diplomatic is a long story. A long story.
Obele, which kind of long story where you know if you tell me? What happened to your eye? They tell me long story. Which kind of long story?
Diplomatic, you never understand. Man, don't pass too many streets, no worry.
Obele, if I tell Jamike, say I see Obele for street, they hustle with one eye. Tell me what Jamike if you tell me. You go tell me why you don't ask Obele what happened to his eye. Obele, what happened to your eye? Tell me!
You want to know what happened to my eye?
Obele! Jachike must hear this. Jamike must hear this.
No go understand.
Obele, Jamike must hear this. Jamike must hear this.
Una know say normally me I no get feelings. Now make if you reach for this matter, I don't want to talk too much. Now me be obere, cartel when they catwalk. No be crazy, they crazy now poor. Now my thing I they do now. For this my eye, when I go open the Genesis,
Idiot! So you leave our market, go to buy another people market, Abi? You know they fear! You got the macro salad!
This boy, they run like Kasangwa.
No worry!
No
worry, go macro salad for fire.
Also Kakasangwa.
Let's go!
Oh, be wake up.
On your knees. Drop that gun where I can see it. On your knees.
Beg, no shoot me, I beg. You know, now the street we do, I beg.
So I be the small boy so they terrorize the girl to the big.
I'm aiming for the sea chopping, so I beg.
Come on, die it. I go smell the girl to put her for her head, Abi.
I beg, no shoot me, beg.
Do you have your last wish?
I feel you.
So when they get to hell, extend my greetings to Lucifer the devil.
When two elephants they fight, all the grasses won't survive. Look at where we are right now. Things fall apart. When two elephants.
I'm robber! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Catch him!
Man like a piece. And then when we na for call y'all.
They say make you no go there.
Now go there.
They say make you no go there.
Now go there.
Now you go there.
Now go there. Wow.
That goddamn wire light of our own good. Make this cartel no for enter problem. Might make me offer.
Chamo, you see why they call you 001? You always be on top of everything. I come on cap for you. You na chairman you be.
Make everybody lay low. Ekelebe dey everywhere. And also we don't cast. Make everybody dey on the low to avoid stories that touches the heart.
But Chemo, the one wey dey vex me be say, based on Fast and Furious, I sight Obele for street when they move the product.
Na lie. Sometimes Jojo was not decrease say make e no sell product again. Obele dey move product for street.
Yes na.
Which family be that when they work for?
But I no come know which family in dey move the product for.
Well, I try know the family first. I need that info. You're gonna find out the family where in the move market for. I need that information badly. From there, I will know what next to do. Capish?
No wahala. But Chemo, make you just give us ahead. Make we just buy this idiot. Make we just knock am.
No need. Leave her. Obelena like my son. I know how to handle him. When the time is right, I will give him VVIP treatment. Chamo, for now, make everybody lay low. Everywhere no good.
But Chamo, wetin my eye Facebook. If I tell am Twitter, you no fit tell am Instagram. Based on our shipment dey enter this night, who go move am for us? Oh, obere dey active. You know as him dey answer na Akpo Aza. No, you know as you go take rugged down.
No worry. Many distributors there. Now we dey here now.
See, chairman don talk and finish o. I say chairman don talk. Make we no go there. Make we no go there. Na go there o. Chairman, I respect you. Run down your bonnet.
Chamo, but anyway, na for call you.
Bombo, no be dollar lento na.
Amaka, what are you doing to yourself? What is wrong with you? For this now, you have not been eating your food. I've told you this boy is dead and gone. You have to move on. Move on, people want you. Okay, now, you don't care about your business. You don't go to the market. You don't care about anything. This boy is dead. Amaka, this boy is gone. Move on.
Sister, I am trying. I am trying so hard to move on, but it's not working. He was young and promising, and we had so much plans together for the future. And all of a sudden, someone came and snuffed his lights out.
You know we can't question God. We can't. Amaka, we can't question God. Please. Eh?
Sister, I know who did this. Okechukwu did. Sister, leave me. Okechukwu killed him simply because he asked me to be his girlfriend and I refused. Okechukwu.
I don't even want to hear you mention that names in this house again. You know how dangerous that boy is. Biko, I don't want his problem. Please. Please. Biko's in Amaka. Biko.
My junior.
Stop crying, please. Stop. It's okay.
Father, you're welcome to my parish.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Father. My name is Father Tony. I was sent from the diocese to be the assistant priest.
Father, yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Like I said, I've been informed by the parish. You're highly welcome.
On my way here, my car broke down and a young man offered to call a mechanic for me.
In this area?
Yes.
Hi, Father. Why will you do such a thing? You cannot leave anything in this area and still meet it that same way. Security, please, follow him and make sure you recover that car now.
Holy Mary.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, who's there? Who are you? Hey, who are you? How did they open my car? Holy Mary. Father just said it now.
That's how they do here. How is my...
Why did they bring me here? Please.
Hi.
Father told me this just now. Please, go and call the mechanic. I'll be here waiting.
Okay.
I need to wait.
Father, don't leave this place. If not.
Why did they bring me here? Holy Mary.
Madam Unit.
wetin dey sup? How far na? Wetin dey sup na?
Which one be wetin dey sup? Wetin carry you come here?
I no be your person. I be your person na.
You no be my person. See, abeg, I take God beg you, eh? I no dey in the mood now. Abeg, just waka dey go.
Wetin I wan carry your mood do now? Eh? I come to collect unto based on today collection. Na wetin I come collect now, the one wey you steal today, na I come to collect my own share.
Be like say something dey worry you. No get brain, no get sense. Wetin do your hand? Wetin do your leg? No, I dey ask you. If you wan collect, Kukuma go church. Go collect your own. You get hand, you get leg.
E be like say na the start wey you
come.
Get away. You no wan give me my own share today?
You mad?
Hey, you no wan give me my own share today?
Comot here o. Comot for here. Comot. I wan talk am now. Comot.
I go open my mouth talk o.
You go open your mouth talk.
I swear, I go open my mouth talk o. The whole ghetto go hear wetin dey happen o.
Alice, I don give you 100% permission. Announce am to Radio Nigeria. Announce am to BBC. Announce am to the whole world. Use whistle, blow am everywhere.
You go regret am o.
You go regret am.
You go regret am o.
Alice, na you go regret am. Come on, come out to my house. Nonsense woman. See you. Busy body wey no get hand work. Useless fool. Look at you. You wan come collect your mama, collect your papa. Idiot.
What are you doing here? What have you come to do here again? I don't know what you're still doing here when I don't buy my son. What do you want to see me again for? What do you want to check? My engineer, my medical doctor, don't leave future where my family gets when I buy him. You can't do here. I don't want to pour you water because of Junior. I don't want to pour you water. Oh, come on, they go now. Male, calm down now, eh? I just want make I come know it's how you dey. I just say make I come check up on you. I don't need you. I don't need anyone to check up on me. I am fine. Please leave my house. Oh, Male, you know they're alright. You're not good. You're not okay. You're not looking fine to me. You be medical doctor. Are you a medical doctor? Please get out of my house. I'm fine. Why they do like this now? Male, you know as me and Junior dey. Junior na my person, no. You know get as Junior go take die, make I can't leave in Male like that. And I say make I can't know how you dey, they pursue me, no good though. Wait till they do no good though. I say make you they go now. Male, I beg. When I don't kill my pikin. Come on for here, let me make I rest now. Come on, they go. They go, let me. When I don't kill my son, they go. Get out. Get out. I know they're alright. Now you want to make me they're alright. My only medical doctor, my only future. Now when I buy, say you go better for now. You know go better for all of you now. You know go better for now. Oh, you know go better for now. What did I get again for this life? What did I get? What did I get now?
Oh, Nisia. Kepu dey the town, wa. Kepu dey this town like this, yeah. They get ya. When I hear say Obere and Blackie them, they get serious issue like this, yeah.
I talk am.
They tell you like this, yeah. As I dey talk to you, Obere don't get one eye again, yeah. They don't come out in one eye, yeah.
What? Hey. Na case of betrayal. No only betrayal fit collect such punishment.
I swear, God.
You mean that?
I swear to God, Maka Chineke na.
That's they don't come out. They with the Blackie again.
You know they with the Blackie again, yeah. Oh, baby, I know they again. I mean, in one eye, know they again, yeah.
Opportunity.
Chamo. The reason what I do.
Chamo, me will rise down.
I to rise down. You know the matter.
Immediately, yeah.
and to carry and come here. You understand me?
Exactly.
Since they don't come on in eye, that means they don't reject her. And the rejected stone will soon become the chief corner stone.
Baby! Chamo, you know the scope. See, for this area, if they no gree, they must gree. For this area, they must gree.
Why true? See, you know say that boy na small boy. You understand? I doubt whether he go gree work with us. You know say that boy too stubborn. Now be the problem why I get. He too stubborn.
He go work with us.
Wait, oh you little faith, men of little faith. Una dey question, una dey yarn rubbish when our chairman dey talk.
Nigga, get here. When stubbornness meets stubbornness, yeah, he go so papa.
Believe.
Yes. You know what you go do? Put come here. Tell am say set meeting with am. Tell am say I wan see am.
Over.
Chamo, you sabi the level. They must gree for this ghetto. If they no gree, they must gree.
You dey shout for my ear.
Come on.
You dey shout for my ear. If you wake Becky up, I go. You dey shout for my ear.
Man, we no get bread now if you lose hand. Them say loyalty be born. I unchained. When on the strike, trust they go drain. Nice we smart, sharp blade for back. Brother, where you trust me,
Wale, wetin dey sup now? Person slap you. Since I land here, I never talk. Wetin happen? Update me.
Blackie, I don't chop insult. Chop am, drink am like water.
From who?
Nothing wey parish priest no tell me today. To insult me so tey my shame begin shame me. I come dey regret wetin bring me come this world.
Parish priest insulted you. Parish priest, did they get bad mouth?
If it's the kind bad mouth, this my mouth dey smell.
Parish priest.
I dey tell you.
Let me make you the best. Leave am now, child of God. God go judge am. Leave am here. Leave am. Don't worry. Might go buy something for ShopRite. I dey come.
Blackie no food for house o.
I dey come. Buy something.
Boys, they move brick steady, grind, no stop. From street to Lagos, the hustle no flop. Sweat for the money, blood stain for the land. Man, we no get bread now if you lose hand. Them say loyalty be born. I unchained, but we no got strike. Trust they go drain. For nights we spar, sharp blade for back. Brother, where you trust me, the plan attack.
Ghetto brotherhood, who go fi say true? Ambition they rise, we they fight for breakthrough. Ghetto brotherhood, betrayal like knife. Now we'll go hold you down when they won't take your life.
Blackie don't run, carry bag, leave town. I'm promising we rise, but I'm wearing new crown. Dreams they big, but loyalty they small. Now the ladder where we climb, them they use make us fall. I see them for your eye, greed they like shadow. Money now the gods, where they guide tomorrow. We they chalk from one box, but knife they the plates. Betrayal they soft code, get thrown at the state.
Who be your brother? Who there for your side?
Wetin dey sup now?
Opiweka, Adrokwana Nsuka.
Wetin dey sup now? Wetin dey sup?
Obele. Move the comot.
Comot go where? For wetin?
Move the comot. Why to wan see you?
Obele. See, make I tell you, na me be Obere. Cartel wey no dey catwalk. Since I lost my one eye, I no get feelings. See, make I tell you something. No be craze I dey craze. Na poor. I no dey go anywhere.
Obele! Yes! It's again, Nikita. Now be say from here, you go meet your ancestors. You go meet your ancestors. Nebi na poala. Nigekentia. Obele, if you do anyhow for here, I go knock you short. I go forget say you get one eye. Knock you short for chest. Now you decrease.
My guy, see. All these things when they do all this papa nonsense, I don't see them for the street. I don't see 99. The one we make 100 now I never see. Which I don't see na bye. See, as I did like this, now based on say they respect the hierarchy. If not be hierarchy, guy, I know they feel this way hold for hand. This thing now toy, and I walk stick now. You know this matter now. No be tumba, no be today now. I need to cartel when they can't walk.
Obele, mbasusu kai shiba for. Uwa kena got defend ni kwa. Obele.
But no be so na fit do me anything.
Obele. Na yala. Onirua.
Obele.
Ya kijidonya.
Only talk for us.
Nobody for me. Nobody for me. No one I go fuck.
If you move,
na kana go
move you. I want to follow go give back.
won't mind me? You won't mind me? Okay. Okay, my country. Okay. My country. Okay.
Once again, I'm sorry about the death of your brother. But I tell you, it's Blackie that did it.
I know. Just that there's no proof yet, but I know. Everywhere good.
You want proof? Do you need proof to know that he hates you? Or the fact that he's against your brother and I simply because I am not interested in him? He asked me out and I refused.
Thank you. But you know that the death of my brother is your fault, eh? Do you know?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I said the death of my brother. My brother. Okay,
Junior.
you don't, yes, now. You don't know it's okay. You don't know it's your fault. You don't know, say now. It's your fault, my dear.
What are you saying? What are you talking about? I'm lost.
I'll come for you. I'll come for you very soon. I'll find you very soon, yeah.
Come for me how? You're scaring me. You're making me terrified.
Thank you very much for your concern, yeah. Like, I really appreciate it. Like, it means a lot to me. But I'll come for you. It's your fault. You are part of the problem. Not soon, no. You can feel free.
Whitey, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that you go soon go. I go come for you very soon. You go learn well.
What does it mean he'll come for me? That's not a good one.
Bastard! Let me get your hand! What's time I take you to look for you? Google! They say make you no go there!
You go there, I go there!
They say make you no go there!
You go there, I go there! Move!
Amaka, are you okay now? You have finally got what you have been looking for. I told you. You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, you will be going back with me to the city. You see this village is no longer for you. And that's final.
Sister, what are you saying? I told you what happened. What transpired between myself and Okechukwu. Why are you telling me I'll follow you to the city? What happens to my business here? What happens to Mama? Mama's shop. What are you saying? I'm not going anywhere.
Are you aware that everybody in this village believes you are the reason why they killed Junior? Because they have been seeing you with him. Yes.
But sister, I told him that Izuchukwu killed him. Izuchukwu or Blackie or whatever thing they call that guy. I told him he's the one that did it, but he didn't believe me.
Why do you think he's going to believe you? When he's looking for someone to put blames on, and you have freely given yourself to him to blame. Why? Why is he going to believe you?
But that doesn't mean I'm going to the city with you. I'll stay in this village, sister.
Amaka, first thing tomorrow morning, you are leaving with me to the city, and that is final. I said final.
I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I've told you. Who am I leaving my business for? Who am I leaving Mama for? They cannot do anything. Nobody will harm me. I'm not going anywhere.
Give the Bible now! Give the Bible now! What is the meaning of this? What do you think you are doing in the house of the Lord? This Bible now, first!
Not for Bible now, and a word of God. Bring them. Reverend Father, how market?
This money belongs to God. You don't crazy, you want money?
The money belongs to God. We are children of God, so that our papa money will collect.
Wow.
You don't see where Jesus Christ feed 5,000 people for Bible, man, or women and children. We get sense, Pastor. When they build this church, we follow carry sand, we follow walk here. But if they bring fowl, yam, chicken. You go carry and put for parish house. They chop only you. Only you be child of God.
Young man, do you realize this is the house of the Lord? And it is a taboo on what you're doing right now.
Brother, go down. Hey, search everywhere, collect more money. Go down. I don't talk too much. Go down. Go down. Yeah. Please. As servant of God, you know the God. We are children of God, so the money now get right. Collect everything whether here. Check whether they get foul, yam, plantain,
anybody where they want to except them left, you dey here.
I go to nobody.
Bombo, they give you bombo.
You put it in a kitchen.
Oh what?
Everything.
Without a CHISOM, nothing.
These items belongs to God. Baba, shut up!
We are children of God, so the items now are birthright. Now our papa house today. You know the God, so no judge us. I'm fine, I don't clear.
Every clear. Oh one.
Don't mind give me 1K, but then you take chop this up to me.
Oh one, this one too much.
We are not wicked. Bye, guys.
Boys, they move, break steady, grind, no stop. From street to Lagos, the also no flop. Sweat for the money, blood stain for the lounge. Man, we no get bread, now if you lose hand, them say loyalty be born. I unchained, but we no got strike. Trust they go drain. For nights we spar, sharp blade for back. Brother, where you trust, we the plan attack.
Ghetto brotherhood, Pogo fi stay true. Ambition they rise, we they fight for breakthrough. Ghetto brotherhood, betrayal like knife. Now we'll go hold you down when they won't take your life.
Blackie don't run, carry bag, leave town. I'm promising we rise, but I'm wearing you.
You happy? Position. You happy? Position.
You happy?
Position where?
You happy?
Now wetin happen na kidnap me?
Yola. Come on, hand for him body.
I don't boss.
Why you kidnap her? Why you kidnap you as per wetin you be, wetin you get, wetin you hold? Jago.
Then what am I doing here? What am I doing here?
They make noise. I hear wetin happen between you and Blackie. They arm me. And as I call her, she say, person wey loyal like this for person. Now like this, they want to pay am back. See, child.
Now God go punish Blackie.
Amen.
I swear na God go punish Blackie anywhere where you dey.
Amen. You know hear that God go punish Blackie. Amen. You know wetin this boy dey suffer. You know wetin dey suffer.
You feel your pain.
You know they feel the pain.
You feel in pain.
I feel your pain.
Child. I want to call you, my brother. Whether you go join us, whether you go distribute for me. Because sometimes if you dey wait for God, make you punish person, God fit take 3 years. You don't understand? You know see the case of what they call Cain and Abel. You don't understand?
It take time.
Yes, now Genesis 13:31.
No wahala. Make una leave the case for God. Make una leave the case for God.
No.
Eh?
You say?
Yes.
You say you dey craze, shut up your mouth. You dey craze. Becky dey sleep. Siam.
Hey, sorry, boss.
Siam.
Sorry, Chamo.
Sorry, Becky. Sorry. Sleep. No wahala. Oba say I want make you distribute for me. I tell you say I no want to leave this case for God. I tell you say I want make we solve am for you. You go need to join us. You go to distribute for me. You hear me?
Thank you, Baba. I say thank you very much. As for me, I be boss on my own. Me na one man mopo. I know if you can follow you, they serve you. Me, na big fish.
When you just came back from that campaign, but you know about so. But you know go so. You must serve boss before you become boss. Which one be say you no go fit serve anybody? Hey, now yalla.
You say I'm sorry, Becky. You say you don't wake up.
Bros, like I said before, as I dey like this way, they see me so. Me na distribute on my own. As I dey like this, I know say una dey see me like small pikin. See, make I tell una, me I no be small pikin. No be choice. No get the music wey play for the party. Go make me like this. I don't know. Nothing want tell me for the street. I beg, make all man just dey their day.
You be distributor. The guy don sell generator.
For where?
They sell television. So wetin they distribute?
Baba, me na distributor on my own.
Shut up your mouth, my friend. Wetin dey worry you? They don't give you a handshake. You want to stand down and go and fit. You sure you go fit distribute where me and Blackie dey? You don't forget who get the street. Who be this? Who be this?
Baba, me, I don't see 99 inside the street. That one where they there, where be by Singolo, me, I don't see and finish. You know the way you want tell me for the street, where me, Obere. I don't say me I be Obere, but as I do like this, I don't get feelings. I don't get feelings to work with you now. And I swear, say me, I don't go work with you now.
No, they disturb me again.
What you
Make I run some like this guy now.
Becky, I go waste you. Shut up your mouth. Make it go. And now you know say na child abuse be this domestic violence. Are we violent?
No, we are not violent.
Are we violent? Make it go. That's not picking.
Anyone really done is much proud of ya. And then money do not get out there. Fuck go by the deal, let's a call here. Check up with the force for the call here. Me do for the money, got some low what. Turn won't be on my bike, see I do what. Down souls behind doors, I'ma show what. First loss for the money, you will do what. It's still for my life, can me on by realize. They raise my mark, selling is of realize. I just spill the money out, I told you realize. Where they show people don't it's calling realize.
Who'll be your brother? Who will fight your side? Who will hold you down? Who will
Jemima is back, and she's back for good. Jemima don't lie like container.
They gonna flood you now.
They go offload me. They supposed to offload me. Who they?
After you, now you.
After me, now still me.
You know?
Nothing they saw. I am back. Jemima has arrived. Jemima don't show.
This kind of thing go they loud down. They need to know you
Pepe their papa, Pepe their mama.
You are back in town. You are here to possess.
All of them go collect. I don't land though. I may be this now. Who they? Who they make remote? Hey, come on, your father. I may be this now. I mean they call one mama poor Jemima. I don't show. Go and spread the good news.
You know,
spread the gospel that Jemima is back.
See, they don't get choice than to spread the good news.
And I'm back for good.
Better, bigger. You know.
I am back. Let me get this sound. I mean, who cares? Jemima has arrived. Claro!
Oh, Olimirigi, Galeno Blackio. Oh, Olimirigi, Galeno Blackio. Olimirigi, Galeno Blackie. Oh, Olimirigi, Galeno Blackie. Oh, Olimirigi, Galeno Blackie. Hey,
Male, I tell you that we won't go shop right. I don't go shop, come eh? So enjoy.
Oh, what's the power bank?
Where you get these things from? Now for church?
And for church now. Oh, this one too. Enjoy, eh?
Why you go church? You go do this thing now. They feel carry police now, they find you.
No, they don't go try. If they try, I go bomb the church now. They don't want to do Sunday service. Don't worry yourself. Enjoy, eh? See, those things where they church now, we get them, no be them. Jesus Christ feed 5,000 people.
5,000! 5!
From things where you collect from church.
Man, also men and children.
Yeah. So these people, they will collect everything, go give for their church warehouse, their chop. Nobody then get them. Now we.
Now our tithes.
Not people be children of God. They say, come ye into the children of God and make the children of God comfortable. Don't be them. So enjoy, eh?
But I don't tell you make you go there. Eh?
No worry. na house of God be that. We na children of God. So the matter dey between us and God will be our papa. Don't worry yourself. Enjoy now. You know understand? Everywhere good. No go there.
No go there.
No go there.
No go there.
If you can't go there.
No go there.
You know.
Olumini kenenu blaki. Oh, Olumini kenenu blaki. Oh, Olumini kenenu blaki. Oh.
What up, Mama?
Mama, dey fine. Mama say make I no come close to you. Make I no dey near you again.
Mama say me no dey near me again. And you say if you know why they near me again. You know why they near your brother again. But I do all of now just like say na my fault for this for waiting to my own brother. Mama say me no dey near me. Na me put gun for him bag. I mean, I be the vigilante we go do jungle justice for her.
You no go blame the woman now. You no go blame her. At least now your footstep wey him follow na him make am kpai.
Stay away from. So you know the way I go advise you, no make go school. No wahala. This tango said the people we go buy am. All of them don't go. I swear to God.
I hear am.
Oh, Nisia, I want to discuss with you now.
You come up for you the grace. You know, sister, they follow my sister, they talk.
Thank God say they don't buy you, I hear them. But hope say your hand no follow for waiting by those people.
Now I follow you, they talk for your child. Now I follow for waiting by you. I tell you, say, I found I'm waiting that. You go.
Oh, Nisia, it's very, very important.
I swear to God, if this thing not important, I go break one of your leg. I swear to God, if you not important,
don't enter town. As I talk to you like this, yeah, she's in town. Wow.
Jumaima.
Makachineke na. Jumaima.
Enter my city, they go ask you, Ichago kwanya? Isego kwife Cindy? Isego kwife? Hey, Inese kwife? Anytime I see you, Ichago kwanya? Cindy chakwanya. Akote no eme. But then no say we dey. What are you doing here?
Now I see with this. I hear say you don't come and they tell me say you carry 4 weeks come.
I ask again. What are you doing here?
I find out white yo. I dey be now. You no go come hug where they sup. You carry this. I say, hey, Jemima don't carry motor car. I say,
no, come carry me jump on top your body now. As per waiting. No make I fly enter you now. As who you be? No now, who calls you? Who be your colleague? Colleague when you frustrate years ago? No, colleague when you frustrate years ago? But my God was never done with me. That is why he took me out of this town to make me big. For a time like this. Now action now I go call for you very soon. Opo. You dey ask me where the camera be? Eh?
Now white thing dey follow talk. I dey be. Hey, dey sup. I mean, you know this now white thing dey follow talk. Okay.
Who be whitey? No, tell me who be Whitey now. Who you be to me? You the Chris?
You don't forget me, Whitey. Where they not be me the package you on a normal song. And the package you on a normal. Not me Whitey.
Now I will say you no get sense. You no get sense. Who no? Go enter now. This Okpei. Instead of a small pikin like you, now for big man, you be small pikin. This Okpei not be for you. You dey hear me so?
Louder, babe.
You dey mad.
Okay, now me be small pikin. I mean they cost small pikin.
And you be small pikin. Now what you be before? You dey mess.
But you don't forget say now we dey run this Adubo, this Kaba, this wood.
You and Blackie join together, all of them. I no fit do anything. Now me, Jemima, they run this town. You dey hear me so? Now me get town, now me they run this town. Make you go spread the good news. Say Jemima don't dey. Nothing the shelle. Nothing the salt.
No man.
Why do you see Joe behave like Okori? Ataya. I talk him. You don't dey mad.
I swear to God. My first tell you something. Behind me. My first tell you something.
All of una join together with Blackie. Now me they run this town. You dey hear me so? Oh, why? Sassy B. They walk out like idiot. No worry now. I go show love and I go collect what to seriously for Jemima. And I go collect. And I promise my Abba. Make you go spread the good news. Mugu. Now me get this town. Go spread the good news. Say Jemima don't enter town.
Girl, we need to be more careful right now. I'm not sure that this place is safe for us anymore. Now that Blackie and Whitey is in town. Trust me, these guys can do anything to attack us.
You're right, you know. But me, Jemima, I am not afraid of them. I know they fear anybody.
You're bad normally.
Me now one man mopo. They're not born there. Who they be? Who they do?
We have to apply.
I go show them what notoriously because they frustrate me for this town. They never see anything, no. I go show all of them saying I mean that they call Jemima and I mean they run the streets. You see that Blackie and Whitey? Now maybe Jemima I go stop their products. I go stop them so they go walk out with their two left legs. Come my cabana. Come beg me. Tell me say Jemima. I beg, forgive me. Now my name be Jemima. All of them go collect with the police. Ah!
The nan so iyo o de nan so iyo o de nan so iyo o de nan so iyo those men that number one iyo and don't go the nan so iyo the cat number one iyo and don't go the nan so iyo but our number one iyo you no fit the nan so iyo but our number one our number one iyo no fit the nan so iyo o de nan why
I just said Jemima don't fall back and she carry car. Two of us.
001, no be shy so. No be say she carry car come be even the issue. I say Jemima doing it now on another level. I said need to see where Jemima dey spray money like say na water. Money na water where Jemima dey.
Jemima. Who she rob now? Who she kill carry him money bag? Because she don't fit make money genuinely. We know her character.
001. Yeah. Based on Fast and Furious, I dey hear far and wide. I hear say she enter country, she comot for country, come enter back.
Alamba be that. Which you travel, Jemima. She don't fit speak English for embassy now. She don't travel, she do illegal. You go boss now, just give her a little time. We know her character.
I wetin I dey reason based on steal and steal.
But what did she want to do now? What thing be her own? One. So wetin una dey try caprison here be say Jemima don enter town. I wan ask. She enter town make she come compete with us or she wan come stop us from our daily doings. See, from our na me be king of this street. They never born anybody mama well. So see wetin.
Make I hear.
If she compete, you go delete her. She no fit.
She don baff.
That one no even be matter. You don't understand?
Any win na for call yo.
Now go. SSM.
Another challenge you. Another challenge you.
Hey!
Another challenge you. Not so much challenge you. Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Another challenge you. Not so much challenge you.
It's Revy.
Stop, Cindy. I don't like this. See, go and tell Jemima. If she wants to do business, let it be strictly on business. You cannot convince me by seducing me. I don't like this. I love money so much. So go and tell her. Leave my presence.
Just the phone hard to get there. No bounce now.
Wetin dey happen here? And Cindy, why you carry empty hand come back here? Wetin dey happen now? Why you don't carry something come back?
Mama, all my effort. Look at me now. No set reach. Mama, I even do like this. Give himself. He say he no want na money. Say me will bring money. Me will send you message. Say na money in the fine.
Mama, not true. That guy say na money he want to. Say na money he want. Na better cash. Na he want. You don't do. No wahala. Jamike wants money, abi? Na money na Jamike wants. We go give am. No na dey here dey come. Jamike wants money.
These are the robbers.
Jamike say na money be a problem, abi? Moku mount they go. They go, I dey your back.
Jamo we get on. Jamo we get on. No go there. Jamo we get on.
I hear say your mama don't pursue you come up for house. That true.
And I hear say they don't dig your grave.
But your papa grave they dig, you them mad. You say that this kind Johnson still kill your younger brother. I don't wanna say picking we no recognize elder, not the last. My foolishness killer.
Maybe evidence to be had.
Evidence, yeah.
I'm not going to my own back. I'm not going to my own back. I'm not going to my own back. Just give me some time. Make I just see evidence. I tell only evidence I just need.
Shut up, you're a noisemaker. Just they make noise, they jump up and down. There's a decision where they fall on, let me give you.
I will push you come up for this time. I swear to God. If I finally go find out, then you find my brother. I go pursue you.
You can't wear us as the elders. You're ignorant.
Make way for Samo.
No go there.
Come on, make me on.
No go there.
Everything was peaceful and nasty. We the hate, but we know we go survive.
Iron.
Anybody wey no get money, we no go get goose. A person wey get money, we dey supply for.
Na so.
Jamike, I hear say you need money. This is the money.
Jemima. Now you are talking business. Iron.
Boss!
We will supply Jemima as many goods as she wants.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Yes.
Jemima, where no? Jemima, where they come
Mama.
from?
Money is good. Money stop nonsense.
Yes, sir. Jemima, yes, sir. Money stop nonsense.
Money stop nonsense.
Yes, sir. Money stop nonsense, Jemima.
Now Jemima the talk. That's all.
Hey, Jemima.
If your body no full, no pull body.
Na so. Hey, Jemima.
If your body no full,
Come in, let's go and do
body.
business, my dear. Come in, let's go and do business.
Let's go and do business.
We been started like two brothers down in the ghetto. Everything was peaceful and nasty. We the hate, but we know we go survive if we put hands together. They run the street. Now greed has come more. Mwokamarozi kwa wanea. Onyobuna na zaza fananya. How could you do this to me?
Welcome back. Welcome. Go inside. Though.
Yeah? Monitoring spirit Alice. What do you do here?
You know now. You know.
What do you know?
I heard you were arrested by the police. Because of lack of evidence, linking you to all the stealings in the parish house, you were able to bail yourself. And you and I know that the food in your house right now is gotten by your son from the parish house. I better go inside, go bring my own.
Alice, what do you want? What do you want?
Simple. Or if you don't give me that food, I will go straight to the parish priest and tell him that you have been the one stealing from the parish house all this while. Or the police go there happy say, I go testify with happiness against you.
Alice, you no go try am. Lie to lie, you no go try am. They hear me so?
Madam Thief, go inside, go give me my own share. I dey wait you.
You want food, Abi?
Yes, so my children need to eat.
No wahala. I go give you food.
Okay.
But after today, no try come here again say you won't come collect food because I no go give you.
Madam, the day I go stop, na the day you stop to the thief inside church house. When you stop to thief for church, you don't see my leg. When you shit church. Hey, Che, me and my children. this one. Hey, me and my children will go enjoy today chicken. Meow. Hey. Alice, no. Alice.
It's Revi.
Jemima, baby! Wow. The one and only now.
Now my name be that now?
You know they too.
Who they?
You know they too now.
Who they?
Clear. What did they say? Matcha! But wait, now the news they circulate say you don't arrive. Normally the girls are happy. What is the plan for our enemy now?
You are right. Exactly. Our enemies. They are the reason why Jemima stood up and left this town to make it big. Mapa! They go collect from me waterporiously, one by one.
One by one.
They go query. Say na me be Jemima. Na me they run these streets now.
001.
Who be Blackie? Who be Whitey? Now me, Jemima, they run this town. Who they be now?
You 001 now. After you now. They won't try you. They don't reach. What's the plan now? What's the plan? My head itch. What's the plan?
Exactly. Our enemies. Our enemies. They are the reason why Jemima left this town to make it big.
Big and better now.
Let them now.
What if you know now?
Aye, my bachuku.
Aye.
Then go collect waterporiously from my hand. One by one.
They are not ready.
Blackie and Whitey go quarry. They go not say na me be Jemima. Na me they run this town.
After you now you. After you now you. Normally.
After me now me nobody
Normally,
else.
the 001.
Me and me alone. Na me be Jemima.
Now you they run this town normally. Now you.
Then go query. Then go collect. Then go collect.
Hello, but I been. I want to see your number one. Oh, celebrity Baron. Baron will get all the contact to the shortest Canadian loud. Chop log, they don't know you. You know now. Rain not the fall with the rainy season. So demand they high, men need supply. I know say you carry that land and the people for the road. The feeling dey different, you know.
Now we take carry you come here.
We need supply. Now we take carry me come. We need goods. We need supply.
See, market don't change. You hear me, so? Market don't change.
No understand. Which of the market don't change? Now, corner you now. Wetin be market? I no understand. Enlighten me. Wetin be market don't change?
Go tell your boss. Go tell your boss say I say market don't change. Now I don't get new person where they supply to. So if you want product, go meet the person.
Now which kind of third party agreement this one? Huh? No, I don't understand. Wetin dey happen here now? Or who for this time we no know say my boss na your number one distributor? Now this one na betrayal. This one na snitching habit with this one. Na snitching with this one.
It was, but not anymore. Careful with your voice. You are speaking to Jamike.
Hey! How come you gonna talk to my boss like that? You dey craze? You dey mental? You don't get sense? I can't say come for here, Nana.
Na bishop contract.
I'm gonna question my boss. I can't say come for here.
Na bishop contract.
Why you come for here, sir?
Na betrayal be this o. So na bishop contract o. No be so.
Leave here.
No be so e be o. Na betrayal.
Get out! Get out!
So na betrayal o.
Move. Get out!
Na betrayal o. You no go good o. Na betrayal be this o. No shake it.
See, boss. I want you 101%. No man contest. Carry on, boss.
Respect to you.
That's my God for you. Watch. Yeah. The grace.
Nkechi, no dey worry me. No dey worry me now.
Mama, reason this thing why they tell you now. Let this boy come back. Now your son now. Eh? Allow Okechukwu come back this house now. As in the outside now, you like him.
I no go allow Okechukwu come back for this house. I no fit allow Okechukwu come back for this house. Okechukwu have caused me nothing but pain, disgrace, shame for this family. Why I go allow am come back? Tell me now, why I go allow Okechukwu come back here?
Mama, reason this thing why they tell you now. Eh? Now your son in bill. At least we don't lose one person. Make the other one come back now. Make we see day two for here. Eh?
Okechukwu influence Junior so much so that Junior come dey buga. Because Junior come dey feel say he don arrive. Him brother na hero. Him brother na this that. Na him make Junior come dey follow Okechukwu way. Junior dey see Okechukwu like him role model. You know dey see am. Na him make am kpai before him time. Na him make am kpai before him time now.
Mama, but no be Okechukwu kpai am now. Eh? No be Okechukwu kpai am. You suppose allow am. Mama, you know say dem say if pikin misbehave, if you flog am with this hand, you use the other hand drag and come back. Na your pikin no.
Shut up, make I hear what? Drag and where? Eh? For this thing wey Okechukwu do? Eh? No be him kpai am. But na him made dem kpai my pikin before him time. Na him made dem kpai am. Make I tell you, if you too worry me for this Okechukwu, e sure dey be like say you don too dey worry. You go join am where e dey o. Go join your brother where e dey. Mo na kukuma stay there, man. No say I no get pikin again. Make I kukuma say my own as God create me because una don make me lose my pikin. Now una come dey tell me again, leave me alone no. Leave me alone, leave me, I don find my better pikin. You come say make I let Okechukwu come back. I no go let am come back. I no go fit let Okechukwu come back. I no go let am come back. Wetin say?
Go tell your boss. Say I don't get new supplier. When I dey supply to. And she go be the only supplier when I get for this town.
I no understand.
You hear me? Since too much money dey involved.
Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey play? How come now you go talk say you get another plug wey be say we dey here? You mean say no cocoa dey for this house to give us? We need something to run in our blood. We need market to supply to people. Wetin dey play? Wetin dey sup?
See, I believe say you hear me clearly. You know what? I go give you the person contact. So you go meet am for supplies. Make una no dey disturb me for this town again.
Who dey microwave salad? Who dey microwave this salad? Who dey microwave this salad? Hey, come on, shut up the mouth. Who dey microwave this salad? Dem dey microwave salad for here. Shut your money for head.
Come on for your answer. See, make I tell you, if you want to know who the macaroni salad or who they supply any goods for this caban, go meet Jemima. And Jemima, they supply everything for this caban. Now she be the new supplier we will get now. They talk who they supply the macaroni salad, the macaroni salad. Come on, macaroni, get away from here. The macaroni salad. Chop too much. Come on, get out. Where these boys themselves?
Hey, Alice, I don't be my mind to do this. Hey, I don't enter trouble. I don't enter trouble.
Why they panic for phone?
Lucky Yawa don't gas.
What is so? The way you take sand for phone. Emergency so.
Emergency, Yawa don't gas. Yawa don't finally gas.
What you have?
I don't do something stupid.
What do you do, man? Update me now. What do you do?
Backyard.
Backyard. Now we get the hood. Now we get the hood. Now we get the hood. Come on, for there. Somebody. Wow. Take one.
Who said you need this boot on?
Na Jemima.
God go punish you. You dey mad? Who be Jemima for where I dey? If you don't give her Kpekus now, because the only man wey love Kpekus now if you do that kind just work. If you don't give her Kpekus. Nah, lie. No fit be woman. No fit be Kpekus. If not be money, you know they do. I know I'm on. They talk like say the best way I don't know. You know fit be woman. Na money.
Who be Jemima myself? How much Jemima fit offer am? We will be there one customer. The major customer. But this thing wey do, this thing wey Jamike do, you no gel at all. You no go well.
All this bad thing, na make people no go make heaven. Because if you Jemima for where I dey, na God go punish you for that thing wey you talk. You dey mad? Come here. God go because you don't know my doings. You don't know. You joke. I'll tell you something.
No, when you didn't do that nonsense now. You don't respect it. I mean, when you try. I think they are.
Blackie. Your boy not tell you say I message him to you.
You tell me, I make me come. I know whether now you vomit that nonsense. I be there to walk you. What you happen? Huh?
Make I tell you, no product. No product.
This joke don't the turn play. What do you mean by meaning?
What I mean be say I don't get new supplier. Why they supply to? So if you want product, go meet Jemima.
Hey, you always got me for streets. Make me. When we say this whole street now my parlor, make I come to go meet Jemima for product. How much she give you will make you betray me? Huh? Abi you don't go fall in love?
In love? See, make I tell you, I no go fall in love with anybody. Now my business, I dey do. You dey hear me so? And na the highest bidder na I dey go for. You dey hear me?
The one who's got me wey be say me and you don dey run parole for many years for this street because of highest bidder. You know the reason consequences? Na me dey follow do that one. See, no go there. I dey warn you, no go there, because if you go there, I go off you. I for give you 24 hours, but you short, I go divide am into 2. I dey give you 12 hours. Make your sense come back. Normalize everything, else if I revisit here, you no go like me.
Boss! Like it. Boss! Like it. You no go do anything.
Why
I say you no go do anything.
Boss! Who be black you, man? Boss, black they give you time now. Now black they give you time.
Relax.
See, boss, make I tell you, Jemima or nothing.
Na so. Sharp. Sharp.
That Ashawo no dey.
Ah, who you dey call Ashawo?
Yeah, madam.
My madam.
Yes.
Ashawo na person name. Who you dey find? See you come and call your Ashawo.
Your Ashawo, madam, they no be Ashawo she be before. We know the fuck Ashawo na today. See, monkey dey jump. Na because say the tree close.
Oh, quiet your mouth.
If I plant the tree, monkey no fit jump.
And who is that mad dog? Who is that mad dog backing in my caban? Who knows you now? Who you now? I don't understand.
Will you shut up? Be like say you join continue. You don't get fear.
Who be you now? No, you remain for house. I don't be you wey stand
Brian,
here.
shut up and answer my question. You get wetin I hear that true?
I don't understand. Say wetin.
You get wetin Jami get tell me. Get the tape wey him play give me. Say you don dey. Yeah. Now true, man, I know now.
Oh boy, you hear correctly. Oh. Your ear they hear well.
Antenna.
Now me be the #1 satisfied distributor.
#1
for this caban. For
#1
this town. You hear me so? Now me get market.
So you just wake up, enter Igbo business, you no ask questions. You dey mad. It
I
is
don't understand. Say who you be now?
na normal na garri you dey buy.
No, you be ancestor. Why I go come ask you question?
See, the problem wey dey inside that business wey you enter, if e pop up, you go fit sustain am. This one every business that dey join.
Bring it on.
Wait, make problem come out.
Bring it on. I am ready for all of you. And they are stand the bar. Nothing they sup, nothing they shell.
No move, no.
Carry and call. And me that they call Jemima. Are they ready for all of you?
When we go point you gun, remember all these things wey you talk.
Come on, go from my house. They back like dog. They smell. You don't even brush before you walk out and meet me, Jemima. I'm ready for all of you for this town. Now go query.
So.
Now go collect motoporiously for my hand.
They no get choice.
I mean that they call Jemima.
They no get choice.
Ah, my ba.
They no get choice.
Ah!
Jemima. Jemima. Jemima.
How be that person when they back like dog now? Who be that person they call Jemima without no respect? Why you they back like dog? Eh?
Who be that person with it back?
Like dog.
Okay, let me back. Let me the back like dog. Okay. Who the back like? I mean the back like.
Now you they back like dog.
No, I need products. I need product.
Let me guess. Wait oh. No tell me say na that dwarf. Now he tell you direction to this place. Eh? As it be like this, I dey choose people where I dey sell my product to. As I don't check my list like this, you know they among the choosing people. Where they my list?
Give me product. I said I need product. Give me product.
Make una see me see wahala. See pride o. On top favor what I wan do for you. You dey carry shoulder up for me.
You say you want to do me favor.
Before na wetin I wan do for you, no be favor.
Yeah. Okay, you want to do me favor, Jemima? You want to do me favor. Me whitey. Small Jemima.
This one na madness o. This one na madness o. Ha. Make una find chair hold am o. This one na madness o. Jemima, small like this. You do leg like this. No know who small. Jemima don big. If you don't know, make you know am now.
Chamo, na you o. Na you, Chamo.
Anyway, na for boy yo.
Dr. One, salutemos. Now Dr. One coast no clear. That idiot don't betray us. Don't they go after our interest. But Dr. One, you know now, fuck up the sour. Because 100 years is like a day. But as it don't be now you decree 2 seconds go mash that nigga down.
I support her.
I miss support her.
Jamike betray me. After the betrayal, he still insult me. Because how wanna? Why you gonna chill with my enemy? If you dey chill with my enemy, you don't turn my enemy. I say make they no go there.
No go there.
I dey talk am, I dey warn everybody, no go there.
Na go there.
No, they don't go there.
Na go there.
You see Jamike, Whitey, all of them are going down. You no get as you wan be. All of them go down.
I said something else, sir. 001, based on Fast and Furious, If you say we go enter Jemima straight forward, make we match her down.
Anyway, when na for call yo.
So, Chemo, the one wey vex me be say wetin my eye Facebook today. I no fit caprison now. Na Jemima dey sell drug dey give Obele. Obele come dey supply to people as if say na him get the town where you dey. For my town. Who be Obele na? For town wey be like my parlour na him Obele. Bye, why is Obele? Him matter dey fridge. Make we focus on the main target. You see Jamike, Jemima been a gentleman, I don't know her name. Plus Whitey, all of them are going down.
Ayo, what happened?
My boss send me make I come give you message. Problem there for ghetto like this.
Which problem?
Blackie and Whitey the verse. Say na only you that they sell product give for this ghetto. They just dey buy people with their hand they clean. So my boss come tell me say make I carry this protection. Don't give you.
Correct.
This one my own.
It's sharp.
This one my girl own.
This one clean. Correct.
Jemima, based on wetin dey happen for this ghetto now, I answer.
No wahala. No wahala. You dey hear am, Cindy?
Mama, I dey hear now.
You hear wetin Ayo dey talk?
I dey hear you.
We need to mount our guard. Mama, we mount. We mount. Everywhere good. Anything what they want, make they bring her come. We dey. Make una put body o. Make una put body. Make una mount una guard every corner. You dey hear me so? Make una no worry now. Na Jemima na him dey run this town. Una go query, all of una go collect one by one. Ha!
Why you make you a para? Man, relax now, no more. Now she make you dey cry.
I dey see am everywhere. I dey see her
You dey
list.
see her ghost. If she get power, why she die? Forget those things, na normal, because they're your first time. If you keep on now, you go normalize. Relax now.
You mean say you too dey see ghosts?
Now what for you? When I start, I dey see them now. But they don't get power. Once they appear, drink enough kai kai. If the spirit still there, pour some more kai kai for your mouth. Yo, it go disappear now. My spirit will be here.
Hey,
my spirit now.
I never buy before. My mind don't come down. I been dey fear. I been won't go confess to Father Self.
Shh, confess to which father? You go prison, no? If you confess, Pam, see prison. Now what for you? Relax, now normal. If she appear again, pour kai kai.
Kai kai.
Yes, now.
And she go. That one don't finish.
I go lie for you. Now normal spirit now.
Hey.
Oh, hey. Now normal.
My mind don't come down.
Now normal.
Hey.
We will strike tonight. They are me. Shoot anybody on sight. What that dog?
Shoot anybody on sight.
I know you well.
Shoot anybody on sight.
Put am for their body. Woto. What that talk?
We go put am for their body. Woto.
Yeah, where?
We go put am for their body. Woto.
And the matter be that. There any question? Why Tororo?
I can't wait to put my bullet on that bitch's skull today. Make it end.
Who send you that one? I send you to run bullets for bitch's skull. Leave that one for me. No be Jebe, ma. Leave her from me now. I send you. I want peeling body. Come here. I go peel his skin. I go peel his skin. I go put her for his body. They hear you. Becky, they hear me. You want follow me? No, you know if you follow me, go this time because body they pepper me like this. They hear me. I go put her for him body. Everybody go know the matter. Any question?
And once we are done with this deal, we go track that dwarf. I need that dwarf blood. The blood, I need it in my vein.
What did you talk just now? You want to buy the dwarf for her? You want buy the dwarf for her? If you come buy the dwarf for her, who go come the sell for us?
Leave Jamie K aside. Jemima, then once you don't see what to do, Jemima, you go learn. I lecture room with them now.
Why Tororo? We really need to teach that guy small lesson. He really fucked up.
So this time I talk, this idiot no yaga maybe.
I wonder how.
Who go touch and small, but I tell you say, Jemima dead go make everybody go. Everybody go. They are me.
I hear you.
Come.
We been started like two brothers down in the ghetto. Everything was peaceful and nasty. We dey hate, but we know we go survive if we put hands together. They run the street now.
Come on, go down there also.
Blackie! Now what did they bring this one now? Now what do you think say you dey do? Eh? Something dey wrong with your head?
We supposed to share that question. Because I dey warn you steady make you no go there. I want to know wetin give you liver to dey challenge me, you dey contest with me for this town wey be my parlour. Eh? You dey fuck my style up for this town wey be my parlour. Nobody contest, nobody zuzu. If you do anyhow, you go down. Wetin dey give you morale to dey challenge me?
See, make I tell you, Blackie. You will not get any right. In fact, you will not get any single right to tell me how I go run my business. I can do my business with whoever I want to do my business with. So you don't have any right to tell me that.
Every business get a winchy. For this business, na maybe they are winchy. They never born your papa well to begin distribute market for this arena without my endorsement. It is crazy. I warn you, make you no go there. Now you don't go there.
See, make I tell you. Blackie, if anything happen to me for this town, if anything touch my skin, just know say na serious war you bring. And by the time my cartel they go show, your own don't finish.
Any win, na for call yo. Any win.
No go there.
Na go there.
No go there.
Na go there.
Now you don't go there.
Na go there.
If we put hands together
Na go there.
on the street,
Na go there.
Chairman, na you. Na you, Chairman. Na you. Na you. Chairman, na you.
How could you do this to me? When two elephants they fight, all the grasses won't survive. Look at where we are right now. Things fall apart. Things fall apart. When two elephants they fight, all the trees go this so far. Can't we go back to the days when we were born? Oh, now people they buy you for our name. People they wonder because of the war, because of the greed. People they go down. Together we were stronger. We are weak. Isina bwakamu, odikamu buli.
001, what you want me the Caprison here? We say as you don't buy Jamaican now. Who can be the next distributor for this town?
Now for you, based on Fast and Furious, it's about reason now. Now him be the only distributor now. What did they talk?
Baba, no misunderstand me because I have in this so now. Waiting my eye on Facebook, Twitter, no fit tell am Instagram. Based on I want to survive now. I want to cope.
Oh boy, cap something there. Oh. But any big go see set our compass.
Abio.
You know that I go find a way na small challenge.
Now we don't off Jamaica. My better signal to all the small boys we want fun what they no be for this town. This town na my palo, nobody contest. Nobody zuzu.
Wow.
The international contact where they want to go run am. Anything where they want to go run am. Or nobody. You come here, come the cop, they mad.
Anyway,
I know they talk and say, make they no go there.
Na go there.
Make they no go there.
Na go there. Make they no go there. Na go there.
Now Jachi don't go there.
Na go there.
Now make me off him.
Chairman,
na you. Na you, only you.
She think say she wise now. No, Jemima think say she wise. Nice one. Go carry Kelebi and army join body. No one. That one day. Nice one.
Onisia, what do we do now? If all the products were in this town, they Jemima hand, that means we're in trouble. We're in trouble. No, you get here. Very soon, you know we will run out of products. So we need to do something now. Get her.
Nothing like that. They worry you. Son, you want to prove. What did they do this one? Blackie self, they suffer now. Don't let me the suffer. No one. Blackie self, they suffer. The army. But no one. Everywhere good.
Chamo. The area is on fire. As I'm talking to you right now, Jamaica is dead and gone. I confirm it with my two kuro eyes on the street.
Hey! Opi Weka.
What is that? And a black I am. Yes!
Jamaica.
I confirm am. People they talk am for street.
I beg you.
Opi Weka.
Buy ice cream. Buy ice cream.
Why, how are you? So enjoy. No go school today. Today happen. I'm sure more than enter school. So now here like this don't go. I'm supposed to enter class. Now you be bad as I be bad. Now I see the president. How's everywhere good?
Oh, Bele! Oh, Bele! My man, find me small something I take oh body now. Onto say me and you now one man.
Guy, me and you no be one. Light and darkness have nothing to do in common. Me and you no be one. I don't know whether you dey see. Which is the sub now? I go say me and you now one.
Obere na you dey caprison this thing. Obere na you dey caprison this thing. Obere me and you now family, we be one. Abeg find me small something I take whole body.
Guy, me and you no fit be family. Na me Obere the talker. Kata we no the catwalk. Me and you no fit be family. You don't know where your family dey. I be won't make a drum for ground for you. Guy, what did they saw? Now sit up. Go meet your family now. What did they sub now? Leave me now. Make a do my thing.
Freestyle matter for matter. Yes, I seen this, so I never ginger for this now. As my bars don't go down, you like find me small man, take high my bars now.
See, as I dey like this, I no get feelings for where una dey. I tell you, no feelings. You're doing self, not even they consign me. So you know the consignment with me are the border for. They game oh.
Obele, no do me this now. Obele, no do this thing to me. I will be family. Give me this thing, man. Small.
Your man give you matter, abi?
Yes, give me matter. You give me something, man. I take high my pass now.
But on one condition.
What's me the condition? Me, I go fit do anything. So far as you go give me this, man, I take high bars. I go do that.
And you go promise me, say you go tell me how everything take play.
If you say now waiting, where I go fit tell you, I go tell you as soon they be. Once this thing don't they involve, I go tell you. And they be now.
So how do you not take by?
But now you the young this kind of thing now. Now vigilante kid junior.
Now vigilante kid junior.
That's so now.
But you did there.
Obele, why you go to caprison like this now? Now me and Junior dey for the same cake. You know say me and Junior no get wahala. Now Blackie and Junior get quanta. Now Blackie learn everything now, no be me now. How go to talk this kind of thing now? You no supposed to discuss this kind of matter for here.
On a very good day, we go open the chapter of the Old Testament and all of us go read that finish.
I'm in one.
Blackie?
My love. Have fun now. You know say I love you. As I dey toast you, if you no agree, I no go toast another person. That's why I dey behave. You must agree. So the earlier you succumb, the better for all of us. You see, you don't make me to speak better English now. I love English. So relax, yeah, I love you. And I fit do anything for you.
You fit do anything for me?
I go lie for you.
Including killing Junior?
Don't be me killer now. I ain't kill himself. You know see when in the wine himself they challenge me. I don't even touch him. Picking when they respect elders, that's all they take go. So Junior and Jones in kill him, not be me kill him.
See, ma, I tell you. You see, Junior no feel rest for this life. He will never rest until you join him.
That's not me killer now. Why you they judge me, be God? But leave that one first. See, I love you. I know they pray this kind of prayer for your future husband. Okay, I go buy you Benza. You go agree.
Come on from my money shop, I go push you.
So even if I buy you Benza, you not go marry me.
Who go marry you? Me. God forbid. I no fit marry you.
Which color you like? Benza?
After you don't kill Junior finish.
Which color
go.
Benza you like?
I will never marry you. Leave.
Okay, no problem. You dey take risk.
I know they fear this way you want. I know they fear you. I know they fear you.
Now for emergency, you know my baby. Bye, I wanna see me for that way by 4. Forget all this shout.
I beg they go.
I collect something.
What are you doing now? Why are you doing this? See, my mother will cast this on my head to stop this thing. Blackie.
I went for you in this room.
It's because of that black thing I saw you in that place. So she can't see me this. Now my first to marry. I don't go marry you. I don't feel marry you. Shebi don't kill my Junior. I don't marry you.
To say you get sense. To say you dey use your common sense. You go know say Jamike no be person wey you go fall anyhow. So as you fall now, who go dey supply us? You dey use your sense.
Now you no get sense. No see say that idiot insult us. You know see say he insult us. If I don't kill him, now who I go kill?
Who be yours?
Now you I for kill.
Who be yours? He insult me. You know if he insult me now, based on saying nothing, I mean they run this street, mama soft.
You know the best way I go gun down next. Na Jemima. So if you love her, go advise her. Because if she no comport, now she go down next.
They no burn your papa well. I swear to God. They no burn your papa well. Jema, Yes,
I know they follow you, they play.
No, they follow me, they play.
This is why I tell you. I don't tell you make you believe or make you begin shake. Now update I give you. Now she go be next. No be threat. Now what thing I go do? One day, I go not do make you lose some teeth.
Anyway, when I forgot you.
We been started like two brothers down in the ghetto. Everything was peaceful and nasty. We the hate, but we know we go survive if we put hands together there on the street. Now greed has come, oh. Mwokamarozi kwa wanea. Onyobuna na zaza fanaya.
Remember what I tell you the last time? Say the turn of the day hot. No be after you don't take the business from Whitey and Blackie. You got to be very careful. Jamike don't die.
What? When did this happen?
They landed their house yesterday, their compound, and killed every soul there. And a Blackie and his men, I ain't run out. You got to be very careful. If you dey wakana, they wash your back. They wash your back. Cindy, you know me now. Cindy, you know me! You know me, Jemima. Thank you, Jamike. Let them do their worst. Let them do their worst. Now me be Jemima. At the bite. And at the kill at the same time. Now me now, we know the two. I go make sure, say, they come out for these streets. They go disappear and me, Jemima go make them disappear. Ah! Thank you, my Jamike. You know me now. You know me. Just not celebrate with Jemima. Thank you, my Jamike. Wash your hair. Make sure you wash your back, eh? And water.
Obele.
Whitey.
I don't tell you this thing before, but it be like a joke before when I did tell you this thing. But nah, I never serious like this in the past 1 week. They are me. I want to make you join us. They are me.
Whitey, you supposed to know say me I no get any reason to join you now. Normally you supposed to know say me I be boss on my own. You supposed to know say for the armor, my hands, my shoe shine. Wait till I won't come to join you na the collabo. But one thing with me, for this get to where I promise. You see as Blackie do me this thing for I promise I say you no go free. But for inside there, make I tell you now, I still get one vital information for now. Because as I did like this, I no get feelings. No feelings. Where I can see where you.
Blessing and me get feelings. Nice, yeah. I be like, who get feelings for your mama? Go. No, ma'am, now because now me come here. So I go be like this now.
See that information, before I go pass now that information, I go make sure so now just feature me with 1 or 2 fingers. Ma take the you know.
But you know. But this guy don't know. He don't know.
Him know.
We not fit they give you funds for now. But me I know say I go be obelig. I go do you well. But the only thing I say, make that information make sense. So
the matter be say I get vital information for now.
I dey hear you now. Talk with him.
When you talk what you want to come up for here, what did they worry you? Then I yalla. Go if you try to go back, you see about poor.
Shut up your mouth. They swear for you the craze. Come out for you all of now. Mona come out for you.
Oh, Nisia. We no go feel leave you and this person come up for here.
Yeah. I don't get babysitter. The guy dey follow you. Want to babysit me? You dey craze. Now PJ man sit down for you. Go kill you. Go punish your papa. Under the man, all of us are the craze. Idiot.
Whitey, the information what I won't give you are based on the person wait by your brother. Yes.
Go down, bend down like this, yeah.
Who goes you for where to lie there?
Come on, move forward, come here. This way.
Who goes you for where to lie there?
Position no Fuma. Position well. Now see finish, yeah.
Observe the gravity. I say observe the gravity, okay?
See that? One day. This boy don't nearly blow me short,
Who goes you for where to lie there? Who goes you for where to lie there? I don't know you.
Bad shots, flood truck, killer, written any granna. Million tenor, you money kenna. Wait for the first enemies, ready fella for the face of a fee, cause it's PC and then scat. Anyone really done is mushy proud here. And then money do not get out here. Fuck go by the deal, let's a call here. Check up with the force for the call here. Me do for the money, gas and low what? Turn won't be on my bus here.
My picking I beg not by me. Oh, remember say I be your mama. They like your mama. I beg you.
Who is it now? What is it now?
The teacher say a noun, a name of person, animal, place or thing.
So what is the pronoun?
Pronoun are the word they use instead of noun.
So who is Junior?
Junior is a boy, instead of an animal. Junior is a boy, instead of an animal.
I'm coming. That is coming. That is coming. My brother, they you. They leave animals where they're supposed to buy. Now my junior, mechanical engineer or banker, for us to now they go buy. He good. He good.
You know good.
You know good, Abby. He said, you don't say you know good, Abby.
You know good. Now who I am?
No, he said.
Now who buy Junior?
No, I know.
No.
Nobody know.
Nobody know.
You know.
No.
Who not know? But it be like saying a black. But no wahala. No wahala. But he good.
What did he do? No good.
He good.
No good at all. I beg, forgive him. Forgive me. I beg. I go talk to him.
You go talk to him.
He go beg you.
You sure? He go beg me.
He go beg you.
Okay, you talk to him. Go beg me.
I beg.
No wahala.
God bless you.
Who goes you for where to lie there?
What's that man?
Who goes you for where to lie there? I'm a man, sir.
Who will hold you down, who will run, go high. For the ghetto, it no easy, no easy.
We be started like two brothers down in the ghetto. Everything was peaceful and nasty. We the hate, but we know we go survive if we.
Price go collect.
Magia!
Where you? Na go gree man. Magi, get over there. Yeah, price collect. On the belly na no go.
tell you say I go do my own back. And I envy this. No man. If you shoot and now. What?
It's Revy.
Boys, they move bricks, steady grind, no stop. From street to Lagos, the hustle no flop. Sweat for the money, blood stain for the land. Man, we no get bread, now if you lose hand, them say loyalty be born. I unchained, but we no got strike. Trust they go drain. For nights we spar, sharp blades for back. Brother, where you trust, we the plan attack.
Ghetto brotherhood, Pogo fi stay true. Ambition they rise, we they fight for breakthrough. Ghetto brotherhood, betrayal like knives. Now we'll go hold you down when they won't take your life.
Blackie don't run, carry bag, leave town. I promise say we rise, but I'm wearing new crown. Dreams they big, but loyalty they small.